Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
The Tambourine!
Satania.
Tambourine family!
Cheryl Bless in the building.
I'm here setting down it to the flipping world!
Jackie Stewart, Hershey big up. Milo. One Milo, never all it.
All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right!
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody with tambourine, it comes to win a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling. School bell a ring. Teacher bag get tied with a big dress string. Oh, I go on, my people. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Yet another day for us to give thanks. Don't give thanks and some blessing because we're there. And we have that thing that name life. So no care what kind of stress you go through right now. Never you lose sight of that something there. Yeah. Once you wake up, you give thanks same way, right? Never you say anything along the lines like you don't even know why you're even there, why you're alive, or you don't even know why you're in that place, yeah, blah, 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 something like so, just give thanks, man. There's always something for give thanks, so you understand? I care what you go through. If it's even a little ear where you breathe, you understand, all right? Growing while healing. Ragaface look like him ready to get trouble. Man, always I get trouble, man. Trouble is fun, right? Trouble can be fun. Well, trouble for me is fun. Trouble for me is fun. Yeah, I understand. But it was a busy day for me today. You know, one of them days where Murphy's Law, like everything I go bad. 3 is a bad number in Jamaica. I don't know. In the number system of Jamaica, Jamaicans don't like 3. And them don't like 3. Right? So, for many Jamaicans, their thing is if something bad happened to them, fine, random or whatever. But if a second bad thing happened to them, a lot of Jamaicans believe a third one will come. Don't ask me where it come from, I'm just telling you. And yeah, and in a Japan, in a Jamaica, 3 are dead, But again, Jamaicans believe that bad things come in 3s. Where that come from? I don't know, but Jamaicans are really too like 3, Them are like 3. And it's funny, but all right, 6 I went in a Japan. Oh, damn, today a Tuesday, don't. I forgot to play the lotto. Yeah, Mega Millions and Powerball. Don't I have it on my thing? Hershey Pie, know them. 6 are strong, man. 9 are what? 6, 9. One Dr. Man could have know them something, No, I deal with multiples of 3s. I want to see if there's a trend there. So Tuesday's Lotto Day. I don't know. I think the Powerball is drawn on Wednesdays and Fridays, and if I'm not mistaken, the Mega Millions is drawn on Tuesdays and Thursdays, something like that, right? Yeah. Somebody going, Shanae, somebody's going to tell me if I'm right or I'm wrong. Shanae, is she like the scratch? Carly said, 9 a pregnant woman. All right. 12 hour. 12, 15, 18, and 21 hour. Mega is Tuesday. Oh, Mega is Tuesday and Friday. So when is Powerball? Shanae said the scratch off them are better odds. I don't know. Hey, you know, see, a lot of people are addicted to those scratch offs, though. Shanae, well, Shanae, you sound like your head screw on your body, auntie. But a lot of people are addicted to those scratch offs, you know. Yeah, whoever go like a corner store or a gas station and see somebody keep on and leave them car go in and buy, and then them kind of feverishly scratch off. And when them not get nothing, them go in and them go back in again and them buy and them come out and I've seen people like that. It's like an obsession, you know. You have to be careful with that something there. Powerball is Wednesdays and Saturdays. Really? No, I've seen there are people out there like good addicted to those scratch offs, you know. And you have people who know them by heart, you know. Like you'll be at like a gas station or a corner store, and them have like a woolly for them, you know. I have some people who just come in and them say, I'm making up stuff now, okay? I'm making up stuff. But they'll come in and they'll say something like, give me a drop box, 3 drop box, true of 4 flash in the pan, and give me 2 top and bottom nasty nigga, and I make that 2 wash pan, and yeah, and throw in a suave in it. And the Stewart owners, them know them, you know, them just go and them start pick down things and pick down. And I stand up there and these people, man, them know the something of them. Them know the something of them. Pretty one, queen, big up yourself, you know. All right. With a round up self, the one pretty one queen, round up, you know. Pretty one queen have that kind of the butt there for smack, you know. Yeah. Mr. Wacky, big up yourself. Watch ya. Our breeze blow you over here to the master. Hey, Mr. Wacky. Our breeze blow you over here today. Well, I'm surprised how you don't know how you don't know the drop on number them, you know. Progressive, hello from one teacher to another. Big up yourself. Yep, I'm surprised how you don't know the drop on number them, you know. I mean, I don't know them, man. 15 is rat. 18 hour. 21 a bad girl. What? Yeah, you reach 21, you turn bad girl, no. 32 is gold. 18 a race ass. See people are worship, you know the something them, you know. 18 a race ass. Oh. I guess there's no pattern there with multiples of 3. But is that thing in Jamaica, and them things say bad things come in 3. What, 34 a baby? What? One on. Just like how we have this thing as a bad things come in 3s. Do we? Well, Shani. I'm so used to coming up with these Jamaican things, and Shani is just like, wait, I never heard of that. I never heard of. So when Shani hear about, I want to know. Ray, give it up for Shani. Give it up for Shani. Give it up for Shani. Because she ain't so honest, you know, because the things them beat her, you know, them traditional old school Jamaican culture, something of them beat Shanae all the while, man. So yeah, Shanae say, yo, I know that. That one thing about 3. I'm thinking, and I know that at work. But big up my friend, big up my friend, big up my friend. JJ, 35 in a drop on a pum pum? Really? People, you know, me asking what the number they mean, right? And JJ, it look like the only two where JJ know, 35 a pum pum and right the next, and them say, oh yeah, and 31 a cocky. Like, seriously, JJ, only them two number that you know, though. Only them two number that you know, though. JJ. Well, yeah, let's use body. It is more sanitized to be used in this show. Blessed what you say about the lottery. Java said 9 a boy. Powerball. We had Powerball draw Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. A 3 days Powerball draw. I think them have a look of food. Oh yeah, Powerball and Mega Millions. I think them people no buy something, man. Cause I know like how I remind you now. I wanna buy, and if you not buy because me remind you, I know say if you no win, on a 5 a thief, I know that. And everybody know what 2 is, 13 a police. And I know say because me remind you, I wanna go buy, and if you no win, when I go call and say, Raga, the only reason why I buy it because you did say so and so, you know. Me don't want you tell nobody, you know. You know say me win a little thing. So you say because you me win, you need for link because I want to peel you something. You see? All right, let me see what I'm going here. So. Mega Millions. Oh, wow. Powerball currently features an estimated jackpot of 327 million, right? You have to take out half of that. So you have to get like 150 million because who now get the lump sum? Hello? And then them take out a ridiculous amount of money out of it. But so yeah, talk about like 150, 160 million dollars, they say, if you win the Powerball. The Mega Millions is at 467. People, the Powerball is at 327 million, right? But the cash value of it, if you say you want the lump sum, all you're getting is 148 million. Isn't that crazy? The Mega Millions is at a 467 million. The amount where you get for Powerball less than 50%. The Mega Millions is at 467 million. If you take the lump sum, you're only getting 211 million out of 467 million. So the Powerball is Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And the Mega Millions is Tuesday and Friday. Oh, I didn't know that. So no Thursday, no Sunday. No Thursday, no Sunday. So the Mega Millions is Tuesday and Friday. The Powerball is Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So the Mega Millions are drawn tonight at 11 o'clock. Y'all must be familiar with that song from last night, though. We're not doing this again tonight. We're not doing this again. We'll not be this. Oh yeah, me I want mix up phone one church mix up. Well, it's not really a church mix up. The people them in a church. They I'm not gonna say it good, you know, cause I don't want to say it good and then I don't think nothing if we go get to the expectations up. You know what I'm saying? Under promise, over deliver, right? That's the strategy in the business world when you're being strategic, yeah? That was redundant. You can't say that's a strategy when you're being strategic. That's redundant. Yeah. Sorry, it's a teacher in me. Okay, back to this power. Why my spirit I tell me say me? Why my spirit I tell me say me for buy the power ball and the yeah, you know what? You can do everything on your phone right now, right? You can do everything on the phone. Me I follow my spirit, you know. You know, so me don't know why this thing is in my mind right now, you know. But me don't know, my spirit just I say, dog, buy something, buy some Powerball, something. All right, let me see. You must have you have an app for everything now. So by the way, that is why me not telling you. But the big yard thing, you know, we have to everything I have to put in an app because me I kind of I pray on with the feedback and where is this thing? All right. Oh, told you. You have an app for everything now. Okay. All right. So what this app is called? Jack Pocket. The problem with something like this, you know, if you buy it through this, they're going to charge you some ridiculous exorbitant fees. But what's the price to pay to win 200 and something million dollars, right? Okay, let's calm down here. All right. My spirit I said me for buy something, man. Me don't know, you know. So, all right, then let me see. See the wow. Okay, me could see what I'm going. Yes. People not for a beer in me, you know. I don't know why, you know, but spirit I said me for buy something. Oh, all right. Okay. Um. All right. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. All right. Let me buy. I should not do this. Me couldn't see me and do this, you know. Cause I don't want to no come give me big foot or come drape me up and I forgot take when I look much. You see what I say? Hold on there. Uh, um, people just give me a second, you know. Me I follow my spirit with that something, you know. Me don't know I want to go on, you know. Me I follow my spirit with that thing. Okay. See? I told you. Service fee. Bastards. Oh, we got a problem here. We got a problem here. We have a little problem here.
You eat,
You cook.
how you fi answer
I don't wrangle up in there. Any woman ask you about you eat yet and thing and you not smell, you know. And you not smell no cook food in a place and whatever. You can't trust that woman there, you know. Yeah. You can't you ever trust that woman there. You know smell no look cooking and all them something and she come and ask you if you eat. You understand? Don't make them grounds you know out there, you know, all right? Balance on the thing. So people, hear that mix up here. You have couple them in a church. And the two of them big in our church, you know, they married, you know, and big in our church. Like, well known. The man a deacon. And the woman have some kind of, I don't know, whatever. Some kind of title, elder or something, I don't know. But them in our church, and them I go to church for a long time. Them I go to church for years and years and years. So a lady now move in the part of the city there, right? And a girl, she grew up in her church and all these things, right? Grew up in her church and whatever. So anyway she go, she find her church she go, you know? And she changed denomination over the years, but she always go to church, a God girl, you know? God girl and whatever. Deal, my brother, big up yourself, you know, people. You understand? You see that youth there? Gold Street deal. You hear me telling about the Clover Valley 5F? When me did in the Clover Valley 5F crew, see one of them there, find them, friend them, fool them, F them, and then forget them. Those were my formative years. I'm certainly not like that anymore. Right? Back then when we and deal and then we had the road and whatever. Lashings! Anyway, the dance, they were there, and you know that kind of him bad, you know. Him bad, you know. Him bad at me, you know, right? Him bad at me, you know. You know, him is a little whenever, you know, because you see I get to work more, you know. Him mad and him auntie them, them big, you know. Like real things, you know. So if I say the girls them, they love him off or whatever. And him out sweet. You don't know me have lyrics? Him have way more lyrics than me. See me in the chat there, Gold Street deal. You see him there? Him have way more lyrics than me. Them man they have drop jazz lyrics. This a boy have drop jazz lyrics. This a boy lyrics, girl, and them a go on like them a play difficult time before them know him. Jazz drop and them don't even know. You hear him look at drunk on the water. You teach me. You know, them dying they were bad in them, man. God damn, they were bad in them. And you know, I'm a rate about him too. Let me tell you, sir, you know, I said, to them I call him about something, right? When I telling her what. To them I call him about something. And I say, rrr. And him say, boy, me not take them chance with nobody. I don't know money me I borrow. I never know money. I know nothing like that. But anyway, coming with some other time. So him say, boy, you know me not take them chance with nobody. But are you? So the answer is yes. A real friend them there, you know. You understand? A real brethren them there, man say, boy, yeah, me no, you know, whatever. And the man said, no, but are you? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. You understand? Real youth, man. But you know, me like with him. I'm a bona fide, you know. You understand? I'm a general, man. But when I time, so you know, I say, how that go? You hear him now. Well, what fi happen, you know? So I say like, yeah, but what fi happen, man? I say, yeah. I hear him to me now. A long time since I tell you know, donkey years ago, you know. Hear him to me now. You know one thing when you never do nothing yet, you know. All we have to do assume, say, when we see you make certain moves, say you do it, you know. You never yet come tell we say you do certain thing, you know, whatever. You hear me saying learn from me? Him say, so you not say nothing, so me I take my cue from you, right? You not talk when you do certain things, so me not. One on the deal. What? Are we you put my name in our chat for deal? I wish should well me not say nothing, you know. And you know say you're a troublemaker. But that doesn't have nothing to do with me and him. And being mother. So and you know say from that time there, him not say nothing. But one thing do me have him up for doing, you know. You remember what day me go to mix up or somebody who me did attack to do? And Remember I telling you about, no name now go call. But somebody who made that talk to, and when we go to boom and we Japan we end, and everything they cool and we Japan we end, and she start run up and down, and me I say, we are do, my girl, we are do. And she run up and down, me say, we are do. And then she basically I tell me say, me if come bad her up and beat her up and take it. Like that me fi do. Right? I mean, like, are you out of your mind type of thing? Remember me going to that mix up there, right? Remember me going to that mix up there, all right. The person, right, did in the crew where him in before them know me. Me come from South, you know. But them never know me because them up on Clovelly Road side and me was original Gold Street and them I go Blake Road. But so them never know me. So my then friend name brand aka Joan. Oh, me used to do with fear niece now, you know. I what if I mix up with them and whatever, you know. And she, you know, in a film crew with Ricky and Carol and them and Bebop and them and whatever. And she, you know, in a film crew and she make me know film crew and I saw him know me. But the de facto leader for the crew now, Theme sister. Me know it kind of mix up, just follow it. Theme sister, me did get involved with. Now the whole of them in the crew knows that me and I are involved, you know, in the same person when I tell you about, you know. So, you know, remember, deal, stop putting people them name in there. Stop putting people them name in the chat, man. All right. I don't know, him not do nothing wrong. I'm anti. No, I'm anti. So, what me I say is, the whole time, you remember me I tell you, say, she tell me, say, no, I that if I do, if you beat me up and take it. And she run up and down and think that the time ready and the boy ready, you know, and think and whatever, and this and that, and my girl I run up and down, and me must run up and down behind her and this and that. And I never do it. I never do it. I never do it. I never run up and down and I beat up no woman from the front and all them something. After I play, we have play fight and all these things and whatever. And then me tell her, say, me find out after say, she there with proper shatter. Like she there with a proper shatter, like proper shatter. This boy, yeah, them know a long time. Them know a long time. The whole time me and her deal, them know who she did there or whatever. I mean, have to use my little head and thing and go so, and go and like me I leave one night and whap it back and come back around Widow's Lane. After she tell me she's sick and she can't move. She's sick and can't move or whatever. I say, oh, you can't move or whatever. Boom. So I say, all right. Boom, my leg up. Flashy pass brings and go up North Street. Sir, come back and come round and thing. And just wings and jokes and say, goes well beard up. And remember me I tell you, say, when you're there get to, you have sort out, you have some outfit what woman put on, you know them are go for them get look a body. Right? It's not no dress up for go out, and it's not no yard judging clothes. And them beard, and them have one, yeah. You have a sort out slippers. You have a slippers a woman wear a ghetto when them are going to get sort out, right? You have a look of simple slippers when them are go somewhere if you get sort out. And then beard and clean, and you know what I get to something, they look of powder up here so and thing. And the ear now fit the ear in a woolly style. The ear just always comb back because you don't know shellings are going to go on. And I saw me see her. She didn't have a scandal bag with her. No, she never have no scandal bag. Leave her alone, she never have no scandal bag. Deal. And I saw me see she because the yard have a front gate pan Blake Road, you know, but it have a back gate pan Widow's Lane. And the back gate did a face, the back gate where me used to live, you know, because me used to live on Blake Road. So Widow's Lane there between Clovelly Road and Blake Road. But I saw me see she and Widow's Lane dark. And I saw me see goods I take it down Widow's Lane and she wore the left on East Queen Street, cross South Camp Road and go down and thing and whatever. And I see boy and I say, but I don't know that boy there, man. A boy there in the street, you know. And I saw when I go back to him now. I say, and then did that one be in our crew, Carol, God bless her. She did in our massacre and them come shoot up the corner. And kill 4 people out of the crew in a one night. Mistake, you know, man send them to go shoot up somewhere and then go shoot up the wrong corner and kill 4 people out of our crew. Deal, I did 4. I did 4 people. No, what she named the what she named the never really in at the crew. You did have this girl. Deal, what's the name again? Bernetta, she the name. Deal, the beat where they get shut up in night too, and Carol and Bebop them get shut up and thing. Bernetta, she the name. Bernadette. That beat didn't come on road, you know. She would just stand up her gate, she not come on road, and I just I said, boy, wrong place I want. But I look a corner that still in a Cloverly 5F corner, you know. But anyway, I saw me go back to the boy, you know, and I said, dog. So how long you know say Miss Lady and I one day I road? Him. Well, she there with him before you know, but you know, you come in now and you're the hot boy. So I saw she get frightened for you. Because them time a foreign me live, you know. You know that in them days when you live a foreign and you come down and you drive rental, nobody can chat to you, you're a star. That coming like nothing now, but in them days, boom. So I saw now him a tell me, you know, say, nah, she there with a youth a long time still, you know. But you come in, you know, and you're foreign and thing and whatever, you're hot boy and whatever, so she start roll with you and thing. So I say him no, and she said him say no. So I say him roll so, and him I say yeah. So I say a boy where we step to say see the one Deal see books there, you know. Deal. You see Bobs, you see that person there in I chat when named Bobs, a books, you know. Books. Deal in I chat in a books. Deal, you know, say, boy, come over here. The boy books come over here, and his name was Boobs first. Boobs, Boobs. I have to tell him, say, yo, dog, you have to change up. I not call you no Boobs. Deal. Deal. Yeah, man, I have to tell him change it. I say, I work with Bobs, you know. People have a real G, them, you know, people. I'm a real G, them, you know. Them people know where the thing I come from, you know. And them, you see him, where you see Bobs, and you see Deal, where you used to play marble, you know, over 5 billion crore, no, Deal never. Bugs, Deal never used to play marble with me. Bugs, Deal never used to play marble with me when we over 5, with little Robert and them. Him did, Deal, he was looking picnic them time, they don't. No, you never used to play, you never big so yet. Them time they ain't in a piece straight. You walk around in a steel brief and all them something there and whatever. You never know. Snipe said, Blake Road near KC. Oh, you mean? Same place. Our place that. Oh, you mean? Our place that. Snipe. Our place that. That's still salty, you know. And you know, the one people, the one books, the one pick it up, you know, bad boy thing, you know. I be a desert clocks him, you know. Him no want no more shoes but desert clocks, you know. You understand? And I go on like in wicked, you see what I say? Yeah, I did our place that man. I can't see your school Snipe. Big up yourself, you know. Rose said that was a typo he made. No, and a typo. Him did call himself Boobs. And we have to tell him, but you know, people in England and whatever, this and that. Me have to say, dog, Lego that, take out something out of that, lose a O or something. Right? Because we not call him no Boobs around here. Right. Yo, what did happen to people me don't want to feel now, but a quick question. I soon get to a mix up. Yo, what did happen to what a brother your name again? Bobby, who did there with Rosie? Him never did go Canada. Boogs. Bobby never did go Canada. Bobby did go Canada. What did happen to Bobby? Man, a big man no and whatever. But people them days when we do dance, you know. We probably don't even believe, you know. When we do dance, I mean, I'll come down with the rental and look at rental. All 15 and we in a rental, you know, people. You think I joke me, I make? Yeah, man, all 15 and we in a one look at rental car. 15, 16. Yeah, you have about 4 or 5 people in a trunk, hang out in a trunk round. Yeah, people are sitting up on the side and window in and whatever and thing like that. John, no, them days they did nice, you know. I tell you when we are go dance and nothing normal, you know, man. Because we enjoy dancing, you know, man, yeah? We enjoy dance and them time, Money are running, man, and, be a something. Yeah, you remember we got a big dance over Airport Road, over Maritime, went near Maritime, whatever, this and that. And we full up a car, about 15, 16 away, and think, John, we look how Bebop gone. Who did dead in the massacre? Bebop, Carol, Bernadette, and somebody else, and whatever. Yeah, somebody give a order, and it look like them get the order wrong, and just come light up with corner. Right? And come light up a corner when me sit up on every night too, Yeah, man, a corner when time it there, every time I don't have that corner there. Yes, I. And just like that, I could have drop out too, But anyway, them days. But people hear that one, So you know, say them two people them in a church and them big in a church, see? And the man have several businesses, right? Him do some car business and all them something and thing and whatever. So him employ people. So this B, she go in a city and whatever, but a B was juggling in a church. She grew up in a church like myself, right? And anyway, she did, she always have to find a church to go, right? And one of them Jamaican woman there who she have to go church. Babs, you say you have a link for Bobby. Big him up for me, man, and big up Sean. Anyway, Sean, they big up Sean and Bobby for me, But anyway, so say now, they be, when she drop in the city, she look work. But she look work and can't find a work and thing and whatever. So when she there at church now, she talk to some of her church sister and about it, and I say, boy, say me I look work and thing and whatever. So the church sister them say, well, you need to talk to sister so and so. Enough people should help, right? I one of the nicest woman that you could have ever known. I probably the best woman that in the church. She's sweet and kind and nice. So them go so boom now and tell her, say, but talk to that woman there and whatever, boom, bam, 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 bam. When she talk to the woman now, the woman say, no, she don't know about nothing right here now. But if she hear about anything, she will make she know, But she don't know about no look of work anywhere right now. She said, the woman, the one who did ask her for it and thing, she said she had talked to other people and them tell her, say, talk to the man there. She said, at the time when she had talked to the man, she never knows that the man was the woman husband, the woman who them did send her to first. She said she never knows that the man was the woman husband. But the church people said, no, I'm going to talk to the man, him have businesses and thing and whatever and see. She go talk to the man now, and the man I say, yeah, we can't find something for you do. No, the person, she who are looking work, I look good girl, And I saw me and I turn friend, because she round up, and cock up and, have look a bandy legs, something and whatever. And when she walk, she have a look of bunks there. And me and I never end up, I do nothing, But one time me see her one coffee shop, and through me sneaking, and thing and whatever. So me not like obvious, me I check you up, me not in the obvious thing, me I pray you quietly, you see me? And me did I pray her quietly, but she come to the coffee shop regularly. So, but me I watch her a long time, So, sometimes when you don't know what is what, you have to kind of indirect, and you can't be like, you have all of them other boy out there, whatever, So one day, me I do my look indirect thing and I screech upon her. Me I say, I forgot what she buy. She buy one of them coffee sitting. So me I say, you try that, is that good? And whatever, conversation me want to kick off. And I say, is it good or is that whatever? Here or no? You know it's good because you've been watching me and you watch everything I ordered. You think I don't notice you? I mean, me, we can't talk about me, I watch you. She said, yes. Every time I come in here, you eyes me and whatever and this and that. Me, I said, me, I eyes you. And she say, yeah. I mean, I say, yeah, all right then. Me, I eyes you for a long time, because you look good. You look good. Me need to talk to you or whatever. She said, you think me don't know say you watch me? I know I look. I know say I look good. I know when man I look for whatever this and that. But the whole time you're going like, you're smart. Every time I come in and you look at me through the corner of your eye and you watch me and think of me, I say, so the whole time you take me out of whining and you know, tell me, and she said, listen to me, we women, we know when guys are checking us out. We may act like we don't. I say, well, that's true. And that's some and I come friend, you know. As some and I as some and I come friend, like it just passed this and I don't even know looking sting and whatever, like my sister, you know. So the point you may make though, she look good, ambitious girl, you know, go get her and thing and whatever. She look good and one of them woman who knows she look good. And she used to man, whatever. So when the man go say to her, say, oh, you want to work? Yeah, man, we find something for you, though. You can imagine, you go to somebody for work and thing, and you know you're an attractive woman. The man I say, well, oh, yeah, look work. There's nothing really there, but we find something for you, though, man. Huh? So she said right away she know what is, but because she said she used to it from man. But she said she know for govern her thing around them something there, you know. So I'm tell her if you come down at one of the office, them come check or whatever, boom. And she do office management type of thing, you know. She's like a project manager type of thing or whatever. Boy, you're a troublemaker, you know. Yeah, boy, big up the 5F crew over England, Miss Earl and the crew. Yeah, man, big up Miss Earl, big up Miss Earl. She named Miss Earl, but it's Earl, but she's after. Yeah, big up Miss Earl. Don't it deal, right? Big up Miss Earl, no. But anyway, so the man said, boom, and I give her work. So she said, she know what she said when she go there now, him not too focused for her tell her what to do, you know? It's like him just want her there and thing, and the man was ask her if she all right. She said she knew where it was going, you know, but she just abide her time and just like whatever, boom, boom, boom. So when she get the work now, the man wife hears that she get the work. Supposedly the wife thing was she knows no work no dead if she do. So the wife find out now, so the husband bring her there and have her do things, but he never really need to bring her there. So the wife I say, I'm tell her I say no work no over here forget, and she still go to my husband. But in fairness to her, she never knew say it was a woman husband. She just come in at the city and I look work, you know. So she really never know, you know. All right, follow the mix up, you know, because it kind of get look twisted. So you know the rule over here. Mix up is a noun and it is a verb. Don't mix up the mix up. Don't forgive every love, big up yourself. So don't mix up the mix up. So where are we thus far? Young lady moved to a new community. She look work. She start go to church because she's a church girl. She grew up in a church. She always find a church to go. Them send her to this woman in the church and say the nicest woman that you could ever meet. Nicest woman that. Whatever. And she go to the woman who is the nicest woman. The woman said, no, me don't know about nothing right now. But if me hear about anything, me will link you. She still a look work. Somebody send her to a man and say, go talk to the man that he have business places and thing. She go to the man. The man say, I really have nothing to do, you know. But we find something for you do. Right? Right? And she know, and she a look good girl. And she know she a look good girl. Right? And the man bring her to the office and she said she a work, but she said the work not really defined. Him just have already a PR and she do what she do and she keep herself busy. The man wife now, here say him go hire. And, you know, for enough people, you know, enough woman, you know, them no want them husband hire nobody attractive for work for them, you know. Enough woman no join or something, then them want the husband hire some old woman, whatever, you know. So you have some woman out there, you know, once, forgive every love, big up yourself, good as. Once, you know, them husband hire somebody attractive, it's like, I got my eyes on that one, you know. So anyway, so she did her work. So the wife now, the wife start bend certain way and I say, oh, I tell her I said no work no over here. And she goes gone to my husband, go ask to work and go and get work from my husband. Like, oh. So the wife start prayer. So Even though the husband now start trying to put arguments to her, you know, like neatly, him want carry her out, I want go dinner. So she said she tell him no, and so forth, and him start, you know, I push it. Neatly doing, you know. And she said she keep on and tell him no. So one day, she goes so boom to the husband, so come here, make me hear you talk and whatever, you know, can't. Right. You know, say your wife is a good woman. Them rate your wife, you know. Right? Me I talk to the other church sister, them and them a tell me, oh, your wife is a wonderful, kind, sweet woman, you know. I mean, no say you have other woman. The husband have one next woman, you know. Right? The husband have one next woman, even though him a look chic, and the husband have one of them washing man there, you know, him having money and him thing up like that, you know, the power something there. See? So she a reason with him now, you know, like, yeah, me link now, you know. And I say, yo, man, I see her do road and thing and whatever. Make you this your wife, them way there. And she say, I saw she and him start reason good now. And them I say, you don't know we are man, you know, we have to do what we have to do, you know, and whatever, you know, the girl, they look good out there and whatever, you know, that's why I mean, why you think me bring her? And she say, yeah, man, I know I bring me, you know, because you want to come jump up in me and whatever. And she say, I say, nothing can go on. And she say, no, nothing can go on and whatever, you have to be careful out there. Now, him out the road now, you know, but him have one woman them when him have out the road. Him bring she at the workplace all the while. When she come at the workplace, you don't think that she own the place. Because when she come at the workplace, she style my friend, who me know for a long time. She a style her, you know. Because she a take the boss body. Because you have some woman like that, you know. Them will work somewhere. Start juggling with the supervisor, and all of a sudden you think of them as the CEO. Nobody can chat to them, right? Because them things them have body ratings, and them body ratings put them over everybody despite the competence of their colleagues. And whatever, you have some woman like that. Man too, you understand, right? So when she come then a be a styling she a put for my friend. But my friend a road warrior, you know. Smart man. You know, one of them woman they you were kick up on a guan and she just clutch and watch you, you know. Strategic in her thing, you know. So when she did, you know, she always come like kind of check up what you're doing. What did you do today and whatever. So she said she not to argue with her back, you know, because she could have said, but why you ask me that or whatever. So she said she not go there with her. Because she said that you know, that girl I want to eat that, you know, because she don't even know me or know nothing about me and I move to me them way just because she take a boss body. So she said, she draw a line though, when she tell her, say, something along the line that anytime I come here, you must greet me with a glass of water. Something she righty. So she tell her, say, no. That's not in my job description. You don't work here, whatever, this and that. And she said something like that to her, and then her response was, listen, if me want to get you away from you, so me can get you away from you. So yeah, if you give me some water, whatever. She talked to Mr. Man about it, Mr. Man talked to her, and she let go the water thing. But after that happened, in a fear of mine now, she said, you know, say, that woman is threatened by me, sidebar. There's a lot of women out there who look good, either through no fault of their own, them just born so, or them take care of themselves, them know if you dress, them know if you, you know, them know if you pop when them drop a road and them something there and thing. And other women just eat them. Right? Yeah, you have a lot of women out there. As long as them say, you have some woman them cool, you know. Because there's a thing right now where woman, big up woman, you know, and woman would just look for a woman and say, miss, don't misunderstand it, you know. You're a beautiful woman. And another woman would just say, thank you, you know. Because there's something there with a road right now. Like women do that with women all the time. Stranger, you know. And be like, miss, you look so good. I just want you to know you look so good today, you know. Women do that all the time, right? Them positive, secure woman. But you have a next set of woman out there, man. You have a next set of woman. Hey, when I think man eat man, hey, when woman go for eat woman for no reason and not normal, you know. Me say when woman go for eat woman just because them look good, them don't even know them are nothing. I don't nothing normal. Right? So she know about that something because me I tell her, you know, my sister and she look good, you know. Yeah, man, and me and her was a friend, man. She'd have to at least send her one for me, man. Would have to pressure her for that, man, or whatever, man. Would have bad her feet, man, because it would have worth it back in them days when me I run road. Right? So she used to that something there. So she said, but she's strategic. So she said, no, because the woman have come to her them way, you know, she said, you know what? I better make sure say, I document everything with that woman here, you know. Because if she come tell lie upon me want proof, I can back myself, me want receipt, right? So my sister in a thing pan her, she don't even know, you know. So I want me know she document when she come there, what time she come, what time she leave, where she do and whatever. She start document everything and she bad pan him something there, you know. And I go on 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 and she document. People, you know say, around the time now when, follow mix up, you know, around the time now when she and the side woman I bring them energy to her then or whatever. Me don't know what it look like a man, I look like around that time the man start spend more time with the side woman or something. Apparently, that coincided with the time when my friend start work at place. The wife now thinks say because my friend start work at the place, why the man, you know, I spend less time at home and I go on. So that time I with the side woman, you know, the same side woman who I bring bad vibes to my friend. So my friend, I document everything the whole time and thing. So my friend said, she know what he said, the wife now start checking upon her at church and be like, whatever, she's just really nice to her. But the wife just a chit-chat, small chat. But she said she pick it up, said the wife, she's being nice to her, but she'll go to her way for be nice to her in an unassuming way. So she said she just go and juggle with it, but she'll document this and that and whatever, she'll juggle with it. And then now, something keep at the church and the wife recommend her to be a part of it and thing and whatever. And then when she go in, she get ratings and this and that. And then, you know, the people, they must say, no, but from, you know, deaconess so-and-so or whatever title the wife have, from she recommend your thing seal up, you know, what me tell you know, pastor rate her, everybody rate her, whatever. So she, you know, she appreciate that now, so the woman a look out for her and thing and whatever. But she still notice that the woman are interested in her and thing. So, one night time now, the woman plan one event and said the people, 4 of them, 3 woman plus the woman, 3 church sister plus the woman, the wife, them are go meet at our fair yard. So the meeting for go on a fair yard. So that meeting the plan, you know. All right, while I'm meeting the plan now, the Bonner woman, follow the mix up, the Bonner woman that time now, did move to her one time, must bounce up in her or something and thing, and then my friend, a bad girl do, you know. Educated, have her masters and whatever, but bad girl can defend herself. And my friend was look upon her and I said, yo, what you do? You bounce up in her, my friend, whatever, and you know, look at drama going on this and that. So my friend decided she should go take her down, you know. So my friend decided when she got the meeting, you know, with the wife, she go pull the wife aside and just give the wife all her receipt. Since Miss Bonnerman lady are going like say, she want come pressure her. So follow the mix up. So my friend a plan to give the wife the mix up them and thing. When she got the meeting, where 4 of them figure. No, before she got the meeting, the wife call her and say, so and so said they can't come to meeting. So if you want to still come, you can come. Me and you plan it and thing, and we can just apprise them after and make them know. So she said, okay, all right, no problem. So when she got the meeting at the house, I just the wife alone, she said. She said when she go in there, the wife tell her say she have water or juice or soda. She said she asked for juice. And the wife must give her pineapple juice. And she drink a pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. So, pineapple juice and pine, but she drink pineapple juice. And then when now she did it and before them getting at the meet, you know, she and the wife attacked, you know, and she said, boy, Mrs. Bennett, I don't want to get involved in a certain thing. But I moved to the girl where I war, you know, the bone again, you know, who just decide to take a set on her. So, and she know what she had do. So she give the wife a heads up now, you know. And I saw my friend go, so now, bam, and back out the receipt, the man I tell her what I go on with the boner woman. And she said the wife stand up and listen. Listen. She said after she done, the wife said 1 second and go over to his stove and take up a food, and take up a pot with the food and throw it in the garbage and take up one another pot, one saucepan, and she throw the food there in her thing and whatever. And then the wife come over to her and say, I made a mistake. My friend now says she confused. And she said, I made a mistake. I thought you were the problem. But it's not you. And I'm glad you brought this to me. So my friend now says she I look on the garbage bin with the food. And she looked. She said the wife just very calmly said, yes, that was for you. That was for you. And look, I could have made a mistake, but that was for you. So my friend, she said, what you mean for me? Like what? That was for you. But I appreciate you letting me know this, you know? She said, all right then. That young lady, remember, you know, this is the wife where everybody having at the church, so she nice, and the wife nice, and whatever, you know. And that the same wife this way I talk about, you know, where the whole church, where she help how many people and whatever, like, for real, help people for real and whatever. This is the same wife I chat to her now, you know. And I said, well, that young lady. She said, the woman just calm, you know. Yeah, that young lady, well, yeah, I'll have to deal with her. I'll address her, but I appreciate you letting me know this. And so, you know, Jamaica, them have a thing where we say your blood run cold. My friend, I say like her blood run cold and whatever, and she nervous, and the woman just tell her, you have nothing to fear. You clear up, and I'm not going to do you anything. You saw through the food. So my friend, she said, but the juice. When I drink the juice, she said, no, it wasn't going to be done with the juice. It was going to be done with the food. And she said to her, and I didn't have to let you know, so I make you know. And I know you may feel like you want to go share this with somebody, but this happened a good while ago. But she said, well, good while ago is 2 years. I don't know how long ago that is. That a good while? That's a 1 year, no? A little over 2 years. So she said, yeah, you don't want to go and say anything to anybody else in the church about this, okay? She said the woman just calm, you know, the woman in an excitement, you know. She said, you don't want to do that, okay? And she's like, okay, all right, cool. And he said, yo, this meeting wasn't any meeting anyway. You probably figured that out by now, you know. It was to get you here. So my friend did, I said, but I did 4 of them for the sidebar. After when my friend investigated, remember the wife tell her, said the other 2 them call and said them couldn't go. When she go check in with the other 2 and whatever, them say, the woman tell her, say, no, them not need, she not need them to come anymore. Remember, she tell my friend, she had the other 2 call and said them couldn't make it, you know. Right? But you know what she don't know. You see how she smooth? she bring her, talk to her nice, bring her in at the organization so them a flow like them a do activities in the organization. And then arrange a meeting with 4 of them. So if meeting arranged with 4 of them, you get a job. Because nobody not tell you say you alone for come at them yard. Worse, she a woman, so and she win your trust already. But it's set up for she alone did that, All right? She left and she said she hold it down. She not said nothing because she afraid. And she got kind of ease off her church. But she said no, she don't want to leave right away because she don't want to go look certain way and whatever. You know, say, this a woman that must be married to a man must be 18 years. Over the 18 years, people, them know things, right? People know. It's like things not loud up, but, if you are the big man, people, and you juggle certain way, and it look like him never did a hold down film thing certain way, if him screechy and whatever, people still pick up things, Worse when you do things in your ear, and them something there. But when my friend investigate now, over the years, 3 of the woman them who him did a mess with, them have it same body did salt. Why? Over the years, 3 of the woman them who him did a mess with drop out. Oh, the wife tell her, when the wife attack to her, the wife tell her, say, this thing that people have about, you're supposed to relax when somebody is coming after your husband, when they know you're married and whatever. Life don't work like that. And she said, that man, what was the word? Not legacy, it was something on legacy. She said, no, she said that man, she said something like, should I say, the wife said, should I say, that man feed me, him feed me and I'm a legacy. But she said something before the legacy, then she her husband that. And she basically, I said, she not join that something there. Where people come, like woman come and take her husband and I take her man. And she said, she not in them, so she not join them foolishness them when them know and whatever, So she tell my friend that, So when after my friend leave and I do her investigation, the man a swing cocky out the road long time, a regular thing. But the street find it interesting that 3 I'm born a girl, and not only 3, but 3 I'm born a girl and whatever. Them sick and dead. So she I made the thing and I say, She want to know if I did the wife did involve in that. But all the street have it, them I say him salty because him get involved with them people and them drop out. But she and meds now and I say, well, I could have not drop out, I could have the wife. That would make her a serial killer, I remember, she had a nice words. Everybody rate her, man. This come out. This is like them crazy lifetime movie or something or whatever. What is the lesson from this, though? And you'd be surprised how much of this exists. Most of us, you don't really realize it, but you're conditioned to think we are conditioned to be zero-sum thinkers, right? We're all or nothing thinkers. We're just black and white thinkers, right? So it's like, if we know somebody do good, I just good we want to see in them. If we know somebody do something bad, I just bad we keep on, like we're just predisposed for seeing them. When the unpleasant reality is, there's a lot of people out there who do good things, and it's the most evil people you can think of. There's a lot of people out there who do bad things, and catch them in another context and thing is the kindest, most compassionate, caring people ever, whatever. Which defies and debunks it's easier for us to say this is a bad person and this is a good person. It's more difficult for us to appreciate where this person is good and where them bad and to what degree them bad and to what degree them good, and then the other side. That is difficult. It's even more difficult if you're not a strategic thinker and you just go by emotions. If you go by emotions and somebody do something good and you say something good or whatever, that is reinforced in you. And then now you're predisposed to confirm that over and over again, even in the face of the reality of the person. That's why people who are really strategic, you have people who set out for getting a people head and for use people and whatever. And what they focus on first is to win you over, right? And then when them win you over with goodness, and the goodness when them do now is not only in your mind, it's running through your bloodstream. It becomes a party, it becomes your identity. If you have sometimes you have like a mind meld with them and so forth like that. And so everything, every fiber in your body is saying that this is a good person. Now you have people like that, now them say, have you know, yeah, I can't turn on the abuse, but you know. Because you're not going away. And you're always confused. And you're always remember how good me is to you. You might have people who do that consciously, intentionally, And you have people who do it, but it's not conscious or intentional, but them still do it. Right? So you have to be careful. For example, like I always tell you, theory without facts is useless. Facts without theory is useless. You have to give the example. So I'm giving you the theory. I gave you a factual situation in terms of the mix-up, and then I gave you a theoretical explanation of the relationship between verbals in that regard. And I'm going to give you an anecdotal example that a lot of you experienced, right? Many of you may have been in a position where somebody do something good for you. And then that person that turn around and want you rise in a life, that want to see you do good or nothing or whatever. And you just find it. And because you're just a good person, and you're just grateful, you're about showing gratitude, you find it difficult to acknowledge that this person now is being evil to you and wicked to you and just don't want you to rise, because you keep on and go back and say, but this is the person who did good to me. She did sincere, him did sincere. I know it because I was the one who was a recipient of them goodness, them compassion, them care, them kindness and whatever. And that becomes hard, If you say, well, on, so that person I mean me good, but it can't be that person I mean me good because them be good to me already. That's rough. It's difficult. It's difficult. It can be difficult to know that somebody who was good to you, whatever, really don't mean you well eventually, and then for you, for just forget say them good to you. Worse if they're manipulative for keep on and tell you how they were good to you. And keep on and remind you what sacrifice them make for you and what them do for you and all them something there, whatever. Simultaneously, I hold you down. I do you the worst and thing like that. Because the good for you, sometimes it's strategic. From the get-go. Them say, I do good for that person here, and then lock them in. But you know what is a common example of it? You have people who do good for you, This one is common. You have people who do good for you, and them enjoy doing good for you, As long as them think you they below them. Because if them a do good for you and you they below them and you show gratitude and whatever, you exalt them, them feel good and whatever. But you have some people who do good for you, genuinely do good for you, But now when you rise over them, if you start rise over them, it's like something is wrong. Like the order is just messed up, right? We can't have that. And then them will just start come up with some sitting, start demonize you. Them start interpret certain things what you are doing a certain way. What them never did I do before, you know. And I see them where you did stay before, you know. But now when in your mind, you not compete with them, you know. In your mind, you not think about me and rise above them and think. You not think about nothing like that. You just a live. And I fulfill your potential. And I rise and think and whatever. But you have people who would genuinely do good for you. Real good did dead for you and whatever. But them cannot deal with you or rise. Them can't manage that. Right? For them thing is, yeah, me do good for you and whatever, but stand down there, so. And me must over here, so. When I was at UK, you did have this girl crew, you know. When I said that to the girl, them dead for them one another, you know. You did have one who she was a pretty one, you know, man. She was a pretty one. It just automatic, as she the top man go for whatever. And then it come one time one top boy or whatever, this and that. Go draft a one with them claims that she wasn't, you know, she wasn't exactly eye candy like whatever. The pretty one nearly lose fear, man, you know. These are girls who would sacrifice to them one another and dead for them and she did dead for them. But as long as she did up on top, she was so good to them. And then something go up, you know, when I have nothing even to do with where Lisa, she didn't name Lisa. What Lisa did do, it's just a man like her and then Lisa end up like him, man, and whatever. But the whole group thinks that the man, that youth, there was a hot boy, you know. But at Lisa, I'm like, the pretty one, he hate Lisa now, you know. Start talking all kind of bad things about Lisa and all them, something there, you know. These are girls who, me just give you some everyday, ordinary example. Right? So you see that thing there, you have to be careful of that something they say, you know, go down the part there, you have to be careful of it, you know. Tash, big up. All right, you have to be careful, so, you know, go down the part there, right, where somebody do good for you and just think, say, you nothing, in a fit them mind, even though you not think, so rise above them. Somebody do good for you and thinks that them supposed to own you because them do good for you. Somebody do good for you and think that them have a right now for throw it in your face every day. Somebody do good for you and think you owe them eternally. Right? Don't be that zero-sum thinker. You must be a contextual thinker. The people who are good at this, let me tell you what them do. Come, I see someone want to do it already. You have people out there, you know, them have friends, you know. But them just know, say, yo, I know women, and men too, who have really, really good friends. And them will tell you, say, no, solid, you know. But the woman will tell you, say, don't make she go around your man, do it, you know. And her friend, you know, but she's managing her context. So she knows that, no, she's really good and solid, so and so. You know. But don't put her on a good dick, you know. Girl can't help herself, you know. It don't matter. Do not put her on a good dick, right? You have people that say like, no, man, you see all him right, you know. The man, they will all put them life on the line for you, you know. But no, in no dealings with him with money. No, money. Those are people who are managing. They're not zero-sum thinkers. They're not, oh, you're either all bad or you're all good, right? They're saying, this person is good in these contexts, right? They're good like this and good so and then good so and so. But not go so and so with them. And they choose to still interact with those people because them good probably exceed them bad, but them understand them bad, right? Because them know say, don't so and so whatever, you know? Or sometimes you're not for that deep. I know friends who are like, yo, don't, if she ask if you stay over one night, don't make you stay over one night. Problem forget her out after. They know them friends, you know what I'm saying? Them don't know them. Anyway, she said she wants to stay over. Don't join her. Problem forget her out after, you know, she go stay over. These are people who are saying, my friend, this person is good, yes, sir. Right? A lot of men are like that. Princess D say a lot of men are like that. Right? Right? So, but what my say is, the point, but I think, well, there are layers to this mixer, but I think the main thing is, this is a woman in her church, right? But she's obviously calculated. She's obviously, like calm in her evil, right? Those are dangerous people, you know, who not shout and ball out and all and sitting there, you know. But just calm in them wickedness and just scheming and plotting, you know, the way she ingratiate herself with her and win her trust and then indirectly send, you know, whatever makes she go join the group and she feel good and she shall get big up. Then the time she a plot for her a long time, you know. If you really meditate out, you know. She a designed the thing long time, you know. The whole thing where she a talk to her and a laugh with her. Then she makes somebody go make she join the group. Because it never come from she, you know. Right? And that them a big her up and I say, no, you know, whatever elder saw her, deaconess saw her, and so boom, boom, boom. She a plot for her the whole time, you know. And then in the group a function the whole time and thing like that and whatever. And then the meeting plan, right? If she never did know, say, she a moved to the careless girl where did where I text it pan her. Raga, men always wanted to go home with the woman. Miss Forever bless me. He said man always want to go home with woman. But either man want to go woman yard nowadays, you know, sidebar. Times change right, you know. Only way you go woman yard unless you're not there. Like you know there. A different thing. But if you just out the road and thing right there, all man out them listen to me. Most of them, most of the man out there. All man who do road. Me a whole man now, so me want the game. You see, if you not do road, I want to know something a settle down thing and whatever, have no money and go hotel. That's something they want that not join again, you know. If you got woman yard now, you know. And don't bring them a phone yard either. Right? You know, say you're out the road and bring the woman in your yard. Unless your security up and all them something there. And if she comes, she have to go there, the gate a ball out and you know, look on her or whatever. Millionaire Green say, why she never poison her husband? Poison her husband, and the woman say, forget what she say, and so the woman say, like she should have said, my money and my legacy that, you know, but it was the money, you know. You know, woman say, yeah. No, the husband take off her. The husband just a do road. The husband just kind, right? You have man with kind for kind forget pum. Right? You have pum kindness. Well, I don't care about that or whatever. But people, you know, say you have people out there like that though, who just very strategic and calm in them wickedness and them evil, though. And yeah, you have woman like that out there too. Them not giant or something there, you know. Right? Oh, because she said the man say, she is a type of woman where him I like. So women know who them man attracted to the type of, you know, who them like and all. Chumpy, somebody say you did in my box yesterday and I never bring you up or whatever. Me never see you, me did a chat, man. Me did a chat, so forward. Chumpy, forward. Now you have people out there, you know. You see, we're used to the loud people. Where me chop you up, you know, hey, girl, what you doing this and that, and left my woman and left my man and whatever. But you have a bunch of people up there, man, them just clutch thing and whatever, and them just plan your demise, you know, some tactical way. Yes, what I say? Yeah. Them out there, man, know that here. So I may tell people, don't run in. Don't run in. Hello. Data, wagwan.
Yeah, see.
You know something there I give
See,
to.
that same scenario, see,
Yeah.
happened to me at my church.
Papa Jesus. Tell me about it.
Guess what happened now? So, we have this Jamaican guy at church, right?
Mm.
Ever since I'm going to the church, he always take a liking to me, not sexually or anything.
Right,
He
right.
just like my vibes.
Right.
So one day he called me crying. So I'm like, what's wrong? He said, man, I'm so scared. I don't want to tell you. So I'm like, tell me what? Something happened to your wife or your kids? He said, no. So I said, what wrong? A man said, what man come up to him, you know, and tell him, say, him hear from good source, say me and him a date. Mark you in a Raga. Me and him and the wife and picnic were the same church, you know.
See.
And if the wife depend the choir, she give me the picnic for whole. So, you know, say nothing other than so.
Yeah.
So me say, Mayu, guess what now? You see this somebody will tell you see next week Saturday when me come to church, carry me to the person. Just carry me to the person and make me tell you what me will tell the person say.
Mm.
Raga that day no come, you know.
You know,
Because
carry.
him know carry what. Me say, if him did carry me, boy, maybe would I end up back at Jamaica.
Oh, right. I got deal with them case now.
Me said, and the worst thing about it is my husband is a leader in the church.
Oh.
I'm also active in the church. He's also active in the church. And me say, me just tell him flat out, me say, the only person can stop me from talking to you is you.
Right.
At this point, not even your wife, is you. And me say, the minute you stop talking to me, people will believe that we were together.
Oh,
and because
you're right.
the person said
Yeah.
something,
Yeah.
then you take away yourself. Me say, me nah stop talking to you. And anywhere me see you, me I hug you up.
See.
Anywhere me see you, me I hug you up. My husband was right there in the bed, Raga, when him called me. And me put the phone on speaker. And me say, you know, my husband, I hear you.
Yeah.
My husband said, man, don't listen to me, man. Church people are one of the worst mix-up set. So if you follow them,
Yeah.
you lose your soul.
You lose your soul. The place where you ever go to enrich your soul, and the place where you end up and lose your soul, no?
Exactly. It happened to me twice. As a matter of fact, first when I wasn't driving, there was a young man in the church who, a big enough man, but he looked young.
Yeah.
And the man carried me and my daughter to church every week.
Mm-hmm.
And one day, one of the deaconess called me and she said, she need the guy number. I said, I don't have it. Honestly, Raga, I did have it.
Right.
But me say, me not give her. Because me not ask him in permission for give the woman the number. So me say, me not give her.
Yeah.
So me say, why you choose to call me? She said, I thought you were dating.
You know, it's a wicked, a fast, you know.
Me say, you see like all, you know.
A mix,
You see like all,
you know. Yeah.
And me say, Raga, from me tell her, from me cuss her out the day, you know.
Yeah.
She never talked to me again. As long as me I go to the church. The day when she talked to me was when she moved into Virginia. She come to me and she say, XYZ, I'm moving. Me say, well, good luck on your next journey.
Yeah.
People in church are the wickedest set.
No, you see how she, you know, she can't, you know, and she said, no, me need such and such, yeah, such my number and thing, and yeah, say, nah, boy, me not, but you're not supposed to have it, you and him involved, though, what? And that side,
No,
she
me
come,
not.
you know, I lap,
No,
hold
me
on, I lap, you did forget lap fractal, you know, with her, and then start up in a look so with her, you know, that's what I'm telling you, man, you know what I'm saying?
Raga, I have never done that as a child or no. Me not think me should start at my age.
Yeah.
Me tell them say certain things I will not do. You understand? Worse, me married, Raga. Well, if my husband want to do it, fine. But me have my limits to what I should and shouldn't do.
What you mean?
You
Like,
understand me?
like say you're not born him. You're not born your husband.
No, sir, me them the days they pass.
Then when you did young and you know look a bit more
Yeah,
free.
when me did young and made it a girl avant, me would have do it. But
Right.
no, sir.
You know that is
Certain
something.
things.
But
No, sir. No, sir.
Right.
What this young man did from Jamaica did my mother asked him to buy her one. As a matter of fact, I know so I start. My mother asked my mother to bring up gungo peas. That's when my mother travel.
Yeah.
So my mother said, okay. So she come up and she said to him, say, may I go back tomorrow buy one scale. So me and him go to Walmart, Raga go buy the scale.
Yeah.
And when he buy the scale and come back, she wear the suitcase, him take the gungo. He not go through the door, the gungo though, but he take the gungo. So when he ready for go, him say, walk me to the door. So me just get up casually and walk him to the door. Me and him up. Raga, me and him go to same church, you know. Me and him grew up at Jamaica, you know. Mother, me teacher, you know.
Right.
And a boy when me want, so me not look on him that way. There.
Right.
Me say the boy, say, give me a kiss, no. Me say, what? I just pan him in a Raga in a pants face, you know, we were frightened. Me pan him in a pants face and push him through my door. Me say, you're bright and old. Yes, right, that's all.
So,
right, that's what me call him.
did you see any indication that him did a prayer that way there?
Honestly, because me not look on him that way, me never expect him to look on me that way. Cause a boy when knows me active in a church, him come to church every week and say me active in a church.
You know,
So,
for many of us, do you know, we're always curious about these people interested in them and they round them and anchor around them
I say nothing.
and to outsiders, it's obvious a boy they like her, you know that. And then, but if somebody come ask you, you'd be like,
no,
like,
because me
no?
not look on him that way.
no, him come for him
Me not
gungo, a gungo him come.
Yeah, and he, Raga, me say go through the door without the gungo, cause me take all the gungo time on.
No, you shouldn't take away boy gungo. You shouldn't take away
Me say me
gungo.
take all
You shouldn't take away
Raga, me say me
gungo.
take the gungo. I know me still have the scale. And me say, Raga, let me tell you, say the boy passed me at church, you know. And me say to me, one of my friends at church, me say, me see if he will pass me next week. So the next week he pass him and he woman and he pitney. So me just touch him on the shoulder. Me say, hello, you see me call to me. Don't make me tell the people them why you know want to talk to me. Raga, you know, don't say from me tell him that he no come back.
He's not come back right, sir.
He take away himself. Cause me end up and tell me husband, you know. Me end up and tell me husband and I say, what if me did give this man my body now?
Yeah.
And me out the pan rastrum a go on like say me holy.
But a lot of women
And
do
him
that
don't-
and nothing.
But
Them
Raga, me say
them
me
like.
not do it. Me not doing it.
Well, you can't change with a bite, you know.
Because yes, man. Cause him a go up there. Him a go up there now and I say, look pan her how she a go and holy and me a work up her thing. You not get that. No.
Yeah, I'm
Me
gonna
not
say
play that.
you're up there getting a spirit and him not
Raga, me
say.
not ask you because me would have do it too.
You not. I'm say, yeah, you see them a jump up in her belly, you know, watch her, you know.
Yeah.
Gospel,
So me I said to my mother,
gospel
say, look on him. Look on
gospel
him too.
grinder.
Him no look better than when he did there Jamaica, but yet still he want come get good me.
What?
Eh?
Oh, him never. Him.
He not a brother.
Oh God.
Me say in a some jacket suit look like frock. So me say who came go buy them the clothes there. A nice be you walk up on them.
So well, him left Jamaica and come a foreign and he look worse a foreign than when him did there Jamaica don't.
Him not turn good.
He not stand good. You couldn't go this.
Him not turn good. But not him looks, it's just him behavior make me just annoyed.
Yeah.
With the whole thing.
Yeah.
Like, oh, my mom used to teach you, so what? So what if your mom
No,
come
but tell me
tell her
something. Tell me something. Did you give it some contemplation that? Hold up. Wait a second. I've been interacting with this man for a long time. At what point was he? Did him start? He ever think about say like when him did start like me like that?
No,
you,
me
you
not give it
about,
no thought because me not look for the boy. No.
You know,
No,
wonder
me not
like
give-
I wonder
No,
when
no,
that look how me
no,
they run a
Raga.
boy and make him they run me alone and whatever. Like some women
Hey,
do it,
cousin
you know, out of
Bernie.
safety. You know, some people say no, but him did they run me alone in my house together. Me there, I'm house together, whatever. Me need to understand
Raga, me
them
not-
thing, yeah, because if man
No,
pray
me
me them
not
way,
even-
there, me not notice it. Me need to know. You know, think about them some of them.
No, sir. Me have my brain for think about other things. Me not sit down and think about him.
Well, probably. Well, if you really think about it, though, you know, if woman,
No,
if
if
woman
he-
fi
if
sit
he
down
did
and
stay
think
good.
about every man who like them, a whole heap of thinking them be there for go.
A whole heap,
I only
true,
but
but
thinking enough man I look man out they don't deliver yet. Okay.
no, whoever is thinking that if him did look good, me would have done with him. No, that not gonna happen. Cause I one thing me believe. Me personally, I don't business with nobody else. What I believe is
Who in that chat?
somebody say
So
if him did
if
turn
him
good,
did
me
turn
would have done
good,
with him. Would have give him a
no, if
chance.
it I give him a chance and thing.
No,
I mean, you would appreciate.
I
No,
don't
hold on. You have no problem appreciating a man's aesthetic blessings, but it doesn't mean
that's
that
fine.
you're going to succumb to them. Okay.
Me not give them no chance to laugh for my husband. Cause some man stay.
You know you're a good girl, though. Yeah.
And me tell them all the time.
Some
When
man
him tell me, boy, your man go there at Jamaica, do whatever. Me say, whatever him do there, do down there, me not see. Me up here and him down there.
Can I just
So
take,
when him come here, I do a different thing.
Can I take a moment to submit something? I just want you to know that there was a period in my life when I was a very disciplined bonner man, right? And I just want you to know, I'm just putting it out there, that when I was a disciplined bonner man, I swear on my mother's name and her grave and everything, I always look out for the man with the woman named David. I never engage in that arrogance. Me never know something about me. I jump up in a boy, woman belly and them something. And all when woman asleep, me would tell him, say, no. What you mean? You don't, no, me not gonna do you in the bed with where you sleep with your husband or whatever. Yeah, I was that guy. So I just want you to know, there are some good bonner mans out there, some good bonner man out there.
Yeah.
Discipline.
Yeah.
And Raga was one of them. Okay. All right.
I bright him did bright. I bright him did bright. And from me pull him up at church and say, talk to me because you see me.
Yeah, you see me.
You see me.
I know what you say, you pass me what you not chat to me or whatever. I know why you not chat to me.
And 2 times him pass me and him not say nothing.
Right.
Yes, so me just give it to him and me come home and I tell my mother. And she say, I bet him not come back next week. And from that him not come back in change church.
Left it new church.
And gone have a different church. But that's how it is. We as woman, when we take one next woman man, what we do? We look upon the woman and we side eye. So the same thing the man them do too. You not gonna get that opportunity there from me.
Right. Well, that's something about finish shame.
No, me not do that.
Yeah.
No matter what him do, me and him work it out. But me not go do that.
Right. And that's why too, if a man a juggle out a road and thing and whatever, the minute you hear that woman, they like, cause when woman a do it smooth, them test you smooth first, Them will like ask you one little question about your woman. Cause them don't know the 100 already, But them just ask one, so why she a do that? Why she a go answer for? The minute a woman come out, you have to check her and say, leave that alone. Me and you, we do a thing, leave that alone. Yeah,
Veronique, you know, so me turn good, so you know them a go come. But me there, I wait for them.
Yeah. Walk.
They are Veronique, a big cousin.
I lie. My big singer friend, Veronique.
Yeah, me can sing too.
You can't sing like Veronique. You can't sing like
start.
Veronique. You can't sing like Veronique. You can't sing like Veronique. All right, no. What?
No, me not sing nothing.
No, hold on. Hold on. If it's one
if
thing
Dr.
you know.
Mac no sing for you can't force me to sing.
No, but Dr. Mac thing different. Right? Dr. Mac thing different, right? Me and Dr. Mac I juggle certain way. Me and you not juggle certain way. Hold on. Well, me just come for gongo. Right? No, I don't know for the gongo.
And you left without the gongo.
And gongo will come for right. So
me have to pan you up.
Yeah, me pan me and throw me through the door or whatever, right?
Me say me buy this.
Hold on. Don't go around the thing and whatever, right? So me want
me not sing.
Hold on, no. Because say if I Veronique not itch. You know Veronica run out to the tune.
That's a Veronique.
All right, watch it right there now. Jesus
Yeah.
bids us shine with a pure, clear light, like a little candle burning in the night. In this world of darkness, so we must shine. You in your small corner and I in mine. Come, give me a tune.
Continue. Me not have none.
Give me a tune.
Me not have none.
You not sing Dita?
No. Because
Yana-
Dr. Mac put...
Yana
Dr.
Veronique
Mac
cousin.
put...
Yana Veronique cousin.
See, she a tell me about sing Dita sing.
He's not Veronique cousin, because you know Veronique now, Veronique can give a style and all them something that been up in the thing or whatever.
Yeah,
Veronique say vibes and thing and whatever.
She can bend up.
Yeah. Listen to me. All you know if you do, I just take what the man them go and thing and I want to come sing a song. I sing a song, man, and about it, sure.
I would have thought about Dita can sing. You know, let me tell you something.
Spiritually blessed, Dita can't sing. She's a setan doing.
A setan.
She's
Yes,
a
me know,
setan,
man.
no. Because you know anything we do with Dr. Maka, she are the biggest setan, you know, spiritually blessed. She that little one there.
See somebody
little
say
wretch.
sing a song.
Sing a song, man. Just sing something a little bit, man. A small thing, man.
Jesus love me, this I know. Oh. Raga, we can't sing, man. I mess with you.
No,
Not
me I keep it
serious
100.
about-
Me I keep it 100. You not sound nowhere as good as Veronica a while ago. You can't sing.
Probably not. Come here, all
Dita, you
again.
can't sing. You think you can't sing. You can't sing. You can't sing. Right? You sound
Watch
like me.
because now I say Papa Jesus.
You
That's
sound-
okay.
You sound
Me
like
sound like
me.
man.
You sound, no,
Yeah,
not
because
like
me a
man.
man, me
No,
big
me
and
not.
strong.
Me not talk man. Me can't sing. Me can't sing. You sound like me. We can't sing. Right? You know, sound like Veronica. Veronica, big singer. Right? Veronica, big singer. If Whitney did there, Veronica kick with her foot right now. That me I tell
Oh,
you.
yeah,
Yeah.
say.
Yeah. You understand. Where you were singing a while ago,
I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you, oh my soul. Rejoice. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear.
Dita, you know, say you're wicked doing, you're wicked, you know.
Me know a
Yeah,
long time me wicked.
Dita, you
It's just
can't
a show.
sing, you know. Dita, you can't sing, you know. Dita, bad piece of sitting here dry right this a while ago, you know. You really can't sing for true. So when they come with a little Jesus, but a little half key Jesus sitting with sound now, whatever. Look how you can't sing good. Look how you can't
What
sing
you want,
good.
Chumpy, a talk about me wicked for real? Chumpy, I mean eat your white fall?
Yeah, no, in Mama White phone.
No, me not go to him mother film. No.
No, Chumpy, she wicked for true. Look how the woman can sing.
See, my cousin say if you take me up, you take her up with me.
Well, come in, Veronique. Well, I could bring in Veronique in this. Come in at this right here now. I could hear the family. Come in, Veronique. What?
How did you, everybody?
Yeah, Mango,
Yeah,
me soon
girl.
come to you. Mango, me soon come to you. Yeah, where you, Veronique? You know, she say your cousin
Then
wicked.
me nice clean cousin.
Eh.
Then mighty God, you have to tell me say, after all this time, you never can cover the hide and listen to Ragashanti because you're Christian. Now why your church sister them fi see you, but now you're the alive? I could never cast this.
Veronique, what go on?
No,
But they go work at the other chat we do.
The one data go around the thing,
I'm
man.
here every day is because I'm exercising at this time. Raga my exercise time.
Right, okay, there you go.
I know you're here every day, but I was wondering why you don't want to sing. Dita sing. What you afraid
Not
of?
because Raga thinks that me can't sing, so
One hand, is it running down a family? Most of them can't sing good?
all of us.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. All right.
It's a. I mean, from the
A family trait.
oldest, from the
Yeah.
mothers, come down to the kids, come down
Right.
to the grandkids, nieces, nephews. Like, yeah.
Yeah, y'all.
Some of them had on cabarets and all of these things. But me, I listen for here, Dita bell out something, man. Dita, you're in a church, man. Dita singing, I think remember this song. How are this, man?
Me remember I sang, man, but me I try getting a raga soul, you know.
Take joy by king in what you hear. Let this be a seed.
No man, Dita, you sound good, man. And we know Veronica can sing already, you know. And thing, but you know, sound clearly it to some degree it's hereditary. It's running on a family, so it is what it is, you know. And with us old people like Millionaire Greenland who can't sing for save her, but because she one of them will lose man because she can't sing a melody.
Millionaire, so shall we wait for this song?
What
Millionaire,
song she
we are
waiting
for this
for?
song.
Eh?
What song is she waiting for?
Millionaire Greenland, I wait for which song shall we wait for?
Yes, that's what she said. Shall we wait for?
What kind of song? What is this an inside joke or something? What kind of song?
I don't know.
No, but that sound like she know about one song where Uno sing or something.
She said sing a duet.
Uno have a signature song Uno sing?
No, it's gonna be hard. It's not gonna be on time. She's gonna
Right.
be
Yeah, no,
sounding
yeah,
good.
Yeah,
because
we're not
yeah.
gonna be sinking.
Yeah, it not
Because
gonna
we're
be-
not at the same place. If we were at the same place,
then a different thing.
yeah,
Then a
then
different
it's a
thing.
different thing.
Because you know, when me tell people when me listen about the show, if somebody I sing and me I sing with them, me I hear it, me and them I sing, synchronize. But when you listen it back because of the delayed broadcast, me half and the person half I would not sing and it don't sound good. That's why I stop do so and so. But what only can help Millionaire Greenland right you know, because she did want to sing a boy what there. The boy said every woman him there with them sing together. So him tell her said them need to sing together. And poor thing she couldn't manage it and thing half key and whatever and thing. And that mash up a relationship. So what how could I help her now?
Wait a minute, first and second. First and second, the first thing in singing is listening. If you
Listen.
can't listen, then you can't sing.
Oh,
You have to listen. If you don't have a ears
Ear,
to
okay,
hear,
okay.
it's the same thing with dancing. If you don't have a ears for the rhythm,
yeah,
then you won't feel it to move accordingly. So it's the
yes.
same thing with singing. If you don't have a ear for hearing the way you sound or the
Yeah.
way he or she sounds, then you won't be able to sing or even sing on a rhythm.
Right.
So you have to first learn how to
You have to listen.
listen.
Breathing
Yes.
technique is also good to have.
Right.
And pronunciation. You can't just say praise the Lord, praise. Sound like it's a Z.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Or people say H for A. So yeah.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday. They don't say happy.
Happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What you mean when you're singing?
Yeah, a lot of people do it.
Okay. Well, I
They don't
Anytime
know
I
the
was-
word.
I
Or they
want
chop it off.
Millionaire Greenland and listen and thing because you know me can help her out in my future. You know.
Okay, then you need to ask Jesus to come.
Oh, yeah. Well,
See if it's found the one day.
no.
Some of the things happening in this world, Jesus really need to come.
But Raga me here say she there fear how she a pray for the man can sing and the man can't sing. Me say I pay this should have fun. Come Jesus come. We'll be waiting so long for the day return to heal every hurt.
Right?
Yeah,
Why you stop?
No, because you're behind.
Oh, okay.
hold on. I can do that. Come Jesus come.
Jesus. No
He
ragga.
must come off of your
Well,
ear.
that never sound
No
the same
ragga.
way how
Breathe
you did
first.
sound.
No.
That never
No.
sound the same way.
Breathe first.
To
No.
me, it sound like I
you
was
have
like identical to how you sound just now.
no sir. You sound like you have coco in your throat.
Well, you don't know, you don't know, so me did in a junior choir East Queen Street Baptist Church.
Yes, Benua.
You need to go back.
Your talk.
No, but you want know.
But ragga actually can sing it up. Ragga player.
No,
Yeah, he can.
no, you see in a junior choir now, don't ask me for sing alone, you know. But it's when everybody else I sing, you see that listen something the way else, I can't follow, but me can't lead. They did have this guy named Brian Thompson. Him could have lead, right? Anybody, you know, what's the two young man with the name Brian and Tony Gold? You remember them back in the 90s?
Remember Tony Gold, yeah.
Yeah, Brian
Yes,
Gold
yes,
and Tony
yes,
Gold, yeah,
yes.
them used to sing with Shaggy, them and them people and whatever. That's him. We go church together and him lead. But when Deacon Bowen said, Mr. Stewart, you're gonna lead with this one. And then when me start, you hear him after that no. Okay, Mr. Stewart, you could step back a little bit. They could try somebody. No, no. You never sound good.
And I think I tell you, and that style, you know.
And that style, you know, like, all right, you're not going further. Come over here, so just follow the rest.
Mr. We have one at church, you know. Let me tell her, say, if she have one of the sweetest tenors ever.
Yeah.
But for the sake of me, woman can't control it at all.
Can't
The
control
woman
what?
just the power. It can't control it. The woman just the
Control
power.
what?
Tenor,
Tenor.
the way she sings.
Oh.
Yes. So it's like this high pitch, and the high pitch, the half in and go no corner, no, it just depend one stretch out and go and so. And then she sing loud, you know. One day we go say, you know what? We have woman convention. We said, let me try her. Let me put her. Mighty God. I couldn't sing. I have to tell them, say, I am sorry. If I'm going to lead, you're going to have to move her.
Oh.
Because we can't focus.
You could give her a lower mic.
Why?
Because she was so off.
Off, yes.
If
She
her
was-
mic
she
was
was so-
turned down, then you would have, you would have been able to
then
control it.
even if her mic is turned down, the way she sings so loud, because it's tenor, the way it's so loud, it's like it's overpowering everything else and everybody else.
And
you
not
just
because you can roll a high note means say you for roll a high note, because some song,
Right.
you know, so when Mariah Carey did come out, a beer screaming, she used to go and she go and sing, but she did just, she knows that she can't sing, and she just sing her song then with
lungs are
beer
good.
high note and thing, and after a while it just gets so monotonous and annoying and overwhelming and thing, until when she get older, she kind of balance down and she start do that little, relax
I
with
think
it.
I understand that she had lost the high note thing where she couldn't go there at one point.
Oh, really?
So yes,
You
that- I
know,
think
say
that's one of
no,
the
she
things
did
that
come one year,
balanced her.
she did come one year Jamaica Jazz Festival, and Shanae said she lost it at one point, and it humbled her, though. It humbled her, because that was your little thing where you batter out and thing and sitting now.
It is, that is not the way she sings. The sound that she makes is not from the belly. It's from the throat.
Not from the diaphragm, right?
No, it's
Right.
not from the diaphragm. It's from the throat.
From the
It's a
throat,
thing. So that can mess you up big time.
When I was in my,
Kristen want hear blessed assurance, Jesus is mine.
all right,
I want to Kristen.
blessed assurance, Jesus is mine.
Yes.
Oh, we go, oh, what a fortress. That's right, glory divine. Something like that.
Salvation.
Yeah. When I was in singing class, my singing teacher, she, you go in there and it's all about technique. So, most people go, right away, go back down. And this to come up,
Yes.
and
Back
then she said,
yourself.
keep it
Yes.
down, and whatever. And she said, do this. No, stay down there, whatever. And she said, from the diaphragm. So you go, project, you send it. And then you did have this man, Tony Miller, and thing, and him teacher, them voice control to sing. Like what you said, from the diaphragm and never from the throat, Unless, as
But
they would say,
and
you are communicating a nasal register, which you sometimes have to do.
yes,
Yep.
Yeah.
yes, yes. As I told you the other day that there are different ways I learned to sing. Because I burger me the things that I could sing. I sing from my little picnic
Yeah.
until I go into Hatfield Cultural Group. And the man that was teaching us was Mr. Vernon. And oh my God.
Mr. Vernon is good. He's good.
Yes,
He's
Mr.
good.
Vernon.
Yeah.
If me follow Mr. Vernon, me left. If me come Mr. Vernon, me can't sing it. And it just raga, and you just shame saying a raga.
Yeah.
Just shame every day me there rehearsal, me shame, you know. Listen, man, Jesus said that man was, when we're up on stage, when we're on stage, you know that when you come out to show business or whatever, when you're on stage, you have to be on stage. You
Right.
have to be
Right.
present.
Present.
Yes,
Present.
you have to know how to work with the crowd. You have to know if the crowd now feel maybe you have a program, you know, so you're gonna have to change the program a
Switch
little
it
bit
up.
to get the crowd to like.
Right.
You know, there are certain things to stage.
Right.
And Raga, they on stage and they perform no hell in a Raga. Perform one piece of asthma technique in a Raga.
Yes.
Asthma technique. And I say, I fight until the last part now before we go to the finale. And I had to come off the stage to go take my asthma pump. And Mr. Vernon, come off the stage, go look for me. Oh, you didn't work stage. We don't work stage. You're supposed to be on stage. They're calling you. They want you out there. And I said, Mr. Vernon, I can't breathe.
I go
Mr.
angle
Vernon
your
decided
business,
to-
though. You angle your business. You do what you have to do.
You have to go
Because you're a
out.
band
You have to go
performer.
out there. Yes.
All
You
right.
have to go out there and find other things to do, or other ways of doing your finale.
Yeah,
The man
right.
tell me, say, even if you drop the first stage, your business must go on.
That's right. Veronique, I want to say big respect to you and your cousin, you know. Right? And
Yeah,
big
bless
up
up
on
on
the
the
family
family,
and
man.
thing, man, all right? Because you know, after something there where people like me just admire because me not have it. So we have to go on the blessings and the respect because
All
we
right,
don't have
let me give
it.
you for Dr. Mark.
Make you
You have
what?
some. You are Alpha and Omega. We worship you.
This is me and Dr.
Lord.
Mark.
You are worthy to be praised. We give you all the glory.
Come on, sister.
We worship you, oh Lord. You
And I can give you the higher part.
are worthy
To be
No.
I said I was singing for Dr. Mark.
Whoop. That's a little low. Me no know wait, me no know. So wait there now. Why?
I be hooking up.
A Dr. Mark, you say what
No,
okay?
I sing on behalf of her.
Yeah, what? So you know sing for K?
All right, which song we go sing for K now?
Oh, the blood that gives you strength from day to day. It will never lose its power.
All right, before you go, somebody
Then somebody say me earn.
Hold on. Before you go, Joan Lockett said, when if you sing 2 lines out of that song, you for K say, if loving you is wrong. Yeah, sing now.
I don't want to be right.
Yeah, that mix up.
If loving is wrong, I don't
don't wanna be right.
right.
Sing out,
A
Kate.
lot
Them
of
too
mercy.
bad.
All
Wanna
right,
Them
thank
too
you,
bad.
ladies,
Kid.
Kay, we
ladies.
love you, Kay. We
Alright.
love you.
Bless upon yourself
Raga, big
here, yeah,
up back
man.
and exercise here.
Yeah, man.
Love you
Respect and
all.
blessings, man. All right,
And
cool.
Dr. Matt, me want me cake here. My birthday is next month.
What you got? A cake, so cake you sing for?
I
A
can't me
cake
a
you
sing
sing
for.
for?
Then,
Everybody else a sing for cake.
no, then I say,
So me a sing for cake.
look at Langot, Atan Spice come here sing a war for cake every day for Dr. Mac cake and whatever. So nothing wrong for no sing
No,
for
she
cake.
just want you hear her sister and brother them around her.
Why
That's
run
all.
now? The frog them. Okay, all right then.
Yes.
Cool.
All
All right
right.
then. Blessing,
Take me
man.
down.
Cool.
Alright, guys, have
Yeah,
yourselves a
man.
great evening.
Night.
Yeah, man. Cool. That's a singing family right there, you understand? And like Dita have a Canadian flag beside her. That part is shocking, you know? 'Cause I know the people in Canada they can't really do nothing good and things, but you can't sing good, so we have to give our ratings right this way, you understand? And they look at help when them get to millionaire Greenland and thing and whatever, you right? Cause see the millionaire Greenland go pick up singer man and can't sing with him. Yo, as the people, as the ladies them at Jamaica, I say, oh, what a stress. Yeah, girl go pick up singer man. Eh? Why you do that? Right? You know much for some odd people there with somebody who can sing and them just cool with the person that sing for them and poor you couldn't even hold a note with your man, though. Oh, Jesus. Sticky pan you like a steel drawers. Hush. Anyway, I could see what I'm going there, so I could see what I'm going. All right, nobody no did it, so. I could see what this rich I want right and a problem I come with right now, you know. Problem this I want to come with right now, man. Problem, be a problem now. What you want?
Good night, sir.
What
Last
you
time I
want?
compare like my ear, you're alien. You want alien to discuss me. I discuss my species.
We discuss anything what we want to discuss. Your species.
You discuss.
You say we are discussing species.
Yeah.
But we are talking about the different fish them. She said red snap. She said red snapper and black perch. So you are what? You're red snapper, you're black perch.
No, me a mermaid.
Yeah, Alien says she not no chatting with you.
And I said, I had me up in the box last night.
No, the lady says she not nothing. Me talk to who call me. How long you listen to me? You listen to me from Jamaica?
Yeah.
All right. You know, say people call my show all the way. Them beat me, them bun me out and think I care zero, right? People call and we laugh and we chat. Everybody a human being in this and whatever. So what you say, yesterday in that very robust discussion that we had about fishes, different types of fish, red snapper and thing when Hot and Spicy come and a chat about freshwater fish and I know which fish you eat and thing. That no sound healthy. Or if you take fish and I know what kind of fish you take. No.
Listen.
Yes,
listen
sir.
To me.
Yes, sir.
Una talk about all the fishermen in the sea, but Dr. Fish, Snapper Fish, whatever.
What you say about bottom? What you say about bottom? What you say about bottom? Oh, okay. So you say we are talking about all the fishermen forget the mermaid, though. Inga. Oh, okay.
Yes. So for the one alien there.
Alien says she ain't no talking with you. Right? Alien say any of you come up, she a Lego. She ain't no talking with you. Because from what they talk about, you call alien, you come for alien, you want to take on and whatever, but you want to come war, my friend. I want him to come on him cheap phone. Idiot came. Mermaid came. You don't see your phone no good. You and your phone a mermaid. You a mermaid, the phone a mermaid too. Fictional. It two you know. In God. Came a drama, you know. All right, watch your right. Juggle, we are juggling, I understand. A Ragashanti life on the app, you know. Case came a thief internet. Him sound like it. Him sound like him a hot and spicy and I see him board, though. Anytime them call in a people Wi-Fi, them a thief or whatever. And probably a walker from the router, no. Them look weird there. Tracy, big up, you know. Marcia good as yeah, big up Munchie, what's up? You're late for class, go on at detention. Yeah, Munchie late. Yeah, Munchie late for class. Right. Munchie said she laughed till her belly cramp up. Well, Munchie, I'll be glad for you say you laugh, you know. Because, why you need the laugh, though. Yeah, you're a strong woman, boy. You know? For real, you know. Just want to give thanks say you're there. And come can join me and thing and whatever. You know, people Munchie been a go through. I'm not telling her business, but just I telling her. Say whatever, a strong piece of woman, you know. You look like the ANC woman named Trang. Mango! What happened?
Hello, Ragashanti.
Hello, Moit. Hello, Mango Moit.
How you doing there?
I'm here chilling. I'm chilling. What going on with you?
Wago me say, the sister singing, draw me out.
What you mean dry you out with what? Mango, don't start. Don't bother with the foolishness.
What do you mean?
What you mean they singing dry you out?
That's I was but after them don't sing, then we can't compete with that. I want to sing
So
a
now by the
song
time
with
about the singing dry you out, like when I'm hearing such good singing, it just makes me want to sing with them. Mango, you can't sing.
That's what I was implying, but all right.
Mango, my friend, wagwan.
We both know we're not singers, no darling.
No, me neither.
But we're not here,
Yeah, we're not here.
We're
We still sing. Yo, when me in a bathroom, I think up in a Mango.
Look here, man. And it just sound with the echo and everything. It just sound
Man,
nice.
tell you,
Like,
man,
yeah,
me don't know if I the water or what, but when me in a bathroom, anytime I sing in a bathroom, Luther Van just in a trouble, you know, man, me I tell you, all them singers, them can't chat to me, you know. When me in a bathroom.
House is not a home.
Sure, this is true.
Yeah, like do ready for so
And you know, you're not right.
That's how to be trouble.
You know, so you're not right, though. Yeah?
I mean, you're busy, but you know that if you're seven, all right. Then they let me out after dinner, so, you know, they let me out tonight, so I said, let me call. And
but you know,
it was fun,
who else can sing, though, for save her life? Nah, Jesus. Don't even ask her if sing Java.
Okay.
Java.
Well, everybody have different talents.
No, but me just want, you know, who can. None of the ANC them can sing, you know.
Then spray them all bad sing. I bet the ladies that belong to spray them crew.
No. Hold on. If you look on it now, Sham can sing good. Sham a bad singer, right? Singer, right? Taller, Coletta, she can sing good and whatever. Don't even make Antasha try to sing a note. You run way out of this and go and grab your ears and whatever.
Go to CBS. CBS can't sing. I'm a girl Latina.
No, CBS can't sing. Hold on. CBS can't even talk good, much less we sing, you know?
Yeah.
You're not going to talk no, CBS can't even talk good, you know? That's the first stage for can't sing. She can't even talk good, much less we go sing and whatever, you know? Which one of the ANC them you think can sing? Which one?
By the way, them are done with none of them.
None of them can sing. None of them can sing. None of them. I'll Delmarine. If Delmarine starts singing right now, you get this image of like a rat in pain. Right?
Begging for help.
Yeah, begging for help. You're going to hear it right now. Yeah, you know.
Ah, ah,
Yeah,
ah,
you sound like a rat
ah.
at tequila, you know.
I take you. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm ready.
yeah.
Aye, aye, aye.
Down a rat Jubilee Hospital. Yeah.
Of all the
But look what she
places.
post about. I used to sing in Woolman's Girls Choir.
Oh Lord, of all the places, Old Mary and them love show up themselves with
No,
the
but
man.
you see, fear role in a choir now. When time
Uh-huh.
everybody are sing now, the choir master say, Dalmarine, when everybody is going da 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 da, you just go. And just keep her right low, you know. So she in a choir,
Uh,
but all she do a That's all I mean.
okay,
Yeah,
she
she
had
would
a
just a
part of the humming
yeah,
part.
she would just a
Okay.
in a choir, in a
Yeah,
choir
yeah. Well, I mean, how could you ruin home?
No, when me did in a junior choir, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We did have junior choir, they practice on Wednesdays and things. So when you practice, you stand up in a group, you go stand up for Sunday man, we sing when big service comes Sunday.
Yeah.
You know, so one day me just kind of randomly up at the front of the group, you know, in a practice, you know.
Yeah.
And we are singing, you know, and Deacon Bowen come and when they singing a Waan, you know, he just rest his hand on my shoulder. And they say, we
Uh-huh.
are sing same, you know. And him just guide me back to the back.
Right, didn't I tell you to stay in the back? Know your place.
Know your place, man. When you do the front, but we know why you feel bad. You know,
It's
so,
enough.
yeah, so no, then we did that sing, him just guide me neatly. I said, run, I say, yeah, them, man. Right? When you run, come up front, man. You're not in front of the line, but you're not in front of the group, but you shouldn't even in at the choir, right? But that you would have refused people because you run. Don't do it again
You
here.
want to make up the numbers.
Little boy,
Know your place.
don't do it again here. No, we don't know how you reach out first. You turn around here, so here, yeah,
Damn Kingsley.
yeah, you're the
This
4
is where
rows
you see at the
back.
back.
Yeah, around the summer, put your hand there.
Everybody
Around
a backup singer.
yeah, yeah, backup singer, they at the back, right? You don't come up, right? Okay.
No. You
And,
don't know to
and
yourself at
from
the
that,
front.
me just hold my space round there. That me I tell you. Okay.
Well, about your business, you can't sing.
Yeah.
Well, it has traumatized you, so you can't sing. We know
No,
you when you're ready.
you're not traumatized. Mango, we laugh off ourselves, you know.
I'm going to tell you, sir. I said before you laugh after me, you laugh first. I'm going to tell you. Yeah?
No, but no, it took you a while to get there because you did admit it to me. Say, when we used to beat you say you did a
Of
laugh,
course.
but
No, it's
you say,
Tambourine. Oh, go ahead, go ahead. The both of us can.
people
Go
one
ahead.
time, Mango explained to me, I said, no, but me make you know, no. Them days, years ago, when I did a beat me every day, and I was on a beating stick. Me go home one night, you know, Raga, I say, I have to look into myself, you know.
Yeah.
And thing in the car, me did feel awful and feel bad. So me just get
Yeah.
beaten. So, and Mango never said nothing to me, you know, but, you know, the soccer ring did a mother, man, and whatever. But Mango get over that right then, you know, man.
Of course. Oh, man. Trust me. Remember all the time we go to Georgia and you put me up on the stage and him beat me and beat me. And I have to sit down and do self-reflect and say, Mango, what's really going on, darling? Yeah, but it made me look within myself, and instead of take it as a negative, I take it as positive criticism and state that, listen, maybe some of your other friends who don't want to tell you something is wrong, these people are making you go within yourself. And I really thank them because I did have to go within myself because, when you live in a certain way and you think that's the way of life and then you go see another way and this is what it did remember when time I first come on the show me fool we never know ourselves and Tambourine has made me grow in the
No,
womb and
but
helped me grow
Mango,
in the
me know how
woman
you
that
feel
I
now, you know. When I think that when
am.
them did beat you with, you know. So I can't say it now. Because my sister, you
Of
think,
course you can.
well, because you think different now. But when I think when them
Mm-hmm.
beat, Mango, you did that wear some proper old man boot, you know. Yeah, man.
English thing.
No, you did that wear some old man boot and And you did have one hairstyle as soon as it wet, you know, you look like one cat will get electrocuted and thing and whatever. I mean, I know
I sweat, you know what's one of the people from the hairstyle, I sweat you the place, you know,
no,
like
you
I'm
come on one ragabash with one
Yeah,
ragabash where they
you
keep
know,
a fly
look
that.
like crocus bag.
Yeah, and your ear
Yeah,
favor
look like
one time,
crocus
yeah, them
bag.
electrocute when them a shot cat. I may I tell you,
I
say,
remember.
you remember, yeah, two look move you make on the dance floor and then me afraid of you. And then after that mango, your dressing game, you flip it.
Yeah, because what happened, I told you we jump in an atmosphere that we never used to, and the sister that they hear the frizz out when you wear it, so we wear different gear.
No, man, I can't just see it and say, I go ragabash in them, but them drunk or there, you know,
Yes.
you know, whatever, them all beat me, you know, so me make sure so me give them upright, you know. And then,
So I'll see outfit we buy, I'll put on, and we stock it and send it to a friend them, and ask them which one look good. Me tell you, say, the stress was on, man, the stress was on,
and then they will beat you wicked, you know.
Oh my God, the stress was on, man. Yeah,
But Mango, think about it though. But I always tell people over here in a TamFam, if we not like somebody, if we not like somebody, we not chat to them, you know.
Yeah.
So if we have beat somebody, you're in our family.
Right.
Right, if we have beat you, you're in our family and whatever, and we feel like so we can't talk to you and beat you because there are other people who we not like and we not chat to them. Yeah, no man, you get it bad man and them they batter you man.
Remember one time Janet Bembo me on the line and we go at it. Boy, big up Janet Bembo you know.
Yeah, I'm charge you that man. Man. See?
Long time, yeah, but still.
But what a name for somebody, Avi? Eh? What a name for somebody, Avi?
Janet Bembo.
No, it's Benbo.
Benbo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because she a Ben and she a bow.
Our leg, bandy leg.
Yeah, no, and she a bandy leg, you know.
Probably that's why them call her so.
Yeah, but what her name? Yeah, Ben and you a bow.
You're not going to do it, you know. Because you know, say if Jamaica listen and me, you're not going to drive me up, make Jamaica call me and cuss me.
Me and you beat her.
I didn't know say. She like, I can't come talk more.
I see what she attack, you know.
No.
I see what you just had her voice or cadence. You just had her cadence. And the girl Mango. Yeah, I saw I hear the girl Mango come here and a chat about this and that about me and Ben and me and about. I wish you know about me. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Me feel something, you know.
Yeah. I wonder if you know we are deal with Mango.
Exactly.
You want Janet Bembo.
Janet Bembo, man.
Yeah, them for know.
She stand up, you know.
But everything balanced to my charge.
Yeah, we are talk about the really not for the simple who can endure it to the end and after we go through them trials and tribulations. We're here.
Right.
Understand me?
Right.
Yeah. Anyway, there's a pit pattern on the rain. I said it go.
Yeah, no. There's a pit patter of the raindrops. And there's a buzz buzzing off the bee. But the thing I love the best, the very best is to know that God loves me. I love. Bomba. No, sir. That was the thing. How you gonna dig up that one?
That was the thing.
How you gonna dig up that one there?
One time we hear the ladies talking about the different, tanner and up and down, that's what came to my mind.
Yes,
and, that I wanted to call and the deep voice and the soft voice. Because at one point, them thing and you go over this one and you go,
no, hold on. Sing it again and make me do the bass. You go. Run it.
You're ready for the
okay, let's go.
Oh, yeah, to warm up the vibe,
La 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 la. Okay, let's go.
Figaro.
You're so silly. All right, run it,
I
run it,
am.
run it, run it. Okay.
I love the pitch, pitch pattern of the raindrop. I love the buzz, buzz, buzzing off the bee. But the thing I love the best is the very, very best.
Are you first to go?
Your turn, no,
No,
you're dropping the ball. Yeah.
are you for go up first?
Okay. It's the very, very best is to know.
Is to know,
Is to know.
is to know.
Is to know that God loves me.
I love. Them.
I love you. I love you.
I love you too, Mango. Big up yourself, man.
I love you. Thank you so very much.
All right,
You
that's
know
a
me.
word, man.
You
See?
take care of yourself. Big up Tambourine. Big up her.
Proper, straight. All right, love and blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah, man. Bye.
People, that was big tune at church, you know. I love the pit, pit, patter of the raindrops. I love the buzz, buzz, buzzing of the bee. But the thing I love the best, the very, very best, is to know, is to know, is to know, is to know, is to know that God loves me. I love the pit, pit, patter of the... I love the buzz, buzz, buzzing of the bee. But the thing I love the best, the very, very best, is to know, is to know, is to know, is to know, is to know that God loves me. I love. Sure. Listen to me now, man. Those were the days, you know. Big up Sunday school, you know, cause them things they did that go on, you know. You see, Sunday school is nice, man. I like. Except when my Sunday school teacher draped me, she never really boxed me, you know, no slip me right there, so. The Avaro Paul, no. Simple question. And it's a question where everybody did ask. 2 questions, you know. 2 questions. Right? Anybody go church ask a question. God make Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve have Cain and Abel. Cain kill Abel. And then go there with somebody. Simple question. Where that woman come from? The woman have me up and thing and whatever. And then she continue, you know, and she say, a God make everything and whatever. And me just say, Miss, who make God? But you know, ask those things, little boy. That is what you call blasphemous. Or whatever. And from that, me not ask nothing more in that class and whatever. You understand? If she's still alive, I doubt it. No, man, I don't know me a little pitney, you know. I look a pitney, man. Me was about, you know, 7, 8, them 6, 7 years, them round them age there. East Queen Street Baptist Church, you know. We used to have morning service. So we did live at Waterhouse, right? We live at different part, but most of the time, on them time, we did live at Waterhouse. So we take the 8 bus from Waterhouse and go to town in the morning. Walk from Kingston, go down East Queen Street. Them time I have one plastic boot where my grandaunt Aunt Tensi send. When son take you in a them boot, they, you know, dog near me supper, you know. You understand? When you walking at them boot, you have to try find the shade, you know, for the boot for cool when you are walking at it, you know. Remember, you know. You walk go church, you sit down in a church service done, you come out, you walk all the way, go back down from East Queen Street, down, you know, down Gold Street, Ayoban Street, down there, so, and go back out of town, out of Parade, catch back your 8 bus, drive all the way for your 8 bus, and go back to Waterhouse. After that, you eat something, you relax a little bit. Then now, you take off your clothes, you know, and then you put on back your clothes. But catch back a bus again. This is in the afternoon, little like after 12 them time then, you know. Catch back another 8 bus. Drive all the way, go down a Parade. Walk from Parade. Go all the way down to East Queen Street Baptist Church, and then we go Sunday school. Then Sunday school done. You come out back, you walk from church again, go all the way down a parade, you catch back another 8 bus, and you gone back a Waterhouse. Take off your clothes. Relax. Easy. Then about like 5 bells, you put on back your clothes. And you go out and you catch a next bus. And you drive on that bus for like half hour or long. It take you, for wait name there, for go down Olympic, go down Beer Farm Road, then go down Olympic Way, and then go 3 Mile, and then Spanish Town, the whole works and thing, reach back a parade, come off a bus again, a parade, and walk go down because it's night service. And we did that every Sunday. And then on Tuesday, I have to go prayer partner with my mother. It's just a praying, I have a group named Prayer Partner. On Wednesday, we did have to go junior choir practice. On Monday, I have to go St. Aloysius all age because I did have the Boy Scout and thing and whatever. But every Sunday, we take a bus, go church, go back home, take back the bus, go Sunday school, take the bus, go back home, take back the bus, go night service. And then after a while, the church said, no man, it's a pressure people. So them start keep Sunday school before the big service. So we go early in the morning and you go Sunday school, then you leave Sunday school, and then we go over in a big service and thing and whatever, And then after that, my mother did stop go night service too. So we did just go church once a Sunday daytime, but we go Sunday school and big service. And he did have one woman there. Once big service are going, sometime around 11:15. It might be 11:14, 11:15, or 11:16, 11:17, or 11:13. But always in this, one service I go and she just bawl out, hallelujah, praise the Lord. She alone with her church. Right around that time now and things. So we are speaking with just a time, I never watch him time now, whatever. But we did just a time or whatever. And that woman they always bawl out and thing, East Queen Street Baptist Church. See, Latin used to go Friday youth church. Me never big enough so yet, but them have youth fellowship, right? Them go for them thing on Friday. And then when you're young, you hear say them a do it. Because them did bigger than me, and you hear say them a do it and them kiss. And you're like, what? Them kiss? Yeah. Those were the days, boy. I'm glad I go to church too, because people, if it's one thing church give you, even when you don't realize it, it give you an understanding of wrong and right. Church give you a conscience, right? And when me get old, me look back and me realize certain things what I couldn't do, it just never in me to do it. When company I do it, which would mean harm to others and just evil to others or wickedness to others or whatever, I couldn't do it. I'll get beat up if do certain things, right? Yeah, when me a par with bad man and thing and whatever, them they all want me to do things to woman and whatever. I couldn't do it. And them beat me up because I couldn't do it. And when me get old, I realize deeply embedded in me was an idea that something just don't feel right. It just feel categorically wrong, that it's prohibitive, that you don't do it. But this church me get that from. This church me get that from. 5 F's not evil. That's why nobody enough for 10 year business. Go man. No, that never evil. A different something that are young people that run up them mouth and I enjoy themselves. Right? Those were choices that people make them days, whatever. You never make any choice yet and thing or whatever, you look back on it, you don't feel good about it. Eh? BYTH, Bith 59. Bith 59. I don't know why you Bith 59. Whatever, you must misspell your thing. I bet you Bith 59 or Bith 69 or Bith 59. Yeah, you see, you do things where you no found right now, you can't remember things you want to do, you want to wish you could have take it back down. All right, all I know. Stop right now and remember a choice when you make when it comes to something for do it sort out where you say, Jan, yo, you never do it with somebody yet, and when you're done, you're like, yo, I just wasted that shit. You never do that yet? Eh? You never do it and then with somebody, you're just like, damn, I just wasted that. Don't. And you just like, it's like you feel shame of yourself and like you tell yourself, so, you know, something should I do better, like, you when you go there so far. You understand? Yeah, mad at yourself, Pineapple Princess. You die. People, Casey, I told him, get the f out of here. When you say, K, you run him out, dog. Why was have no use? The whole time waster, dog. Run out that. 604, that's when you take a 2-hour shower. Yeah, you know the long shower there where you just stand up on the shower, beating up on you, and you're in that zone there. You not verbalize it, you know. But what you really have said to yourself, like, just don't even feel clean, you know. It's like, why? But that's a woman thing, you know. The shower thing is a woman thing, you know. For a lot of women, you know, when them go through something and whatever, stress or whatever, you know, it's enough man to understand it, you know. For enough women, you know, for them way for cope and for build back from certain stress is to clean. Yeah. Like for some women, cleaning is therapy. And when nothing there for clean, you know, but just a girl and a clean. And like all a over clean and whatever. It's therapy. And even at them little element and them are clean. And when them done, whatever stress them I go through, it stress me and I gone, you know, but they feel better. Women love that. Just to like one big cleaning and then get one nice beard after, a nice shower after, whatever. And them in a better space or whatever. Worse when you hear them attack to the something them when them are clean, you know. And you hear different, you hear a cadence of different emotional states. Men, if you see a woman a do that, leave her alone, yeah? Yeah, some women them are clean, them attack to the something them, you know. With different personalities, you know. So all what you are do yes so now. I never yes so me leave you. Or you reach yes so. Sure. Thing on this all the while you just come wish back me now put you on them thing them. Oh my God, look at that. This thing is still look nice. See? Put you right back here. When I observe women are clean and I chat to themselves and I chat to the something them and whatever. Yeah, if I wonder if they made God, you know. Yeah, and I like the different range where they might talk about, you know, like they may have a happy moment and they may have an upset moment. Oh. You know, so I need to fix or something. I say somebody said, I can't read it, you know, but hold on there. Somebody over YouTube call the number there and whatever. Because I want to see something, I want to check something. Somebody just call the number from over YouTube. Call the number, the call in. But it don't have to be over YouTube. But just somebody call Christina, put in the call up number, the 2 call up number them. I want to check something else because I see somebody. A couple people are telling me, because me I hear the call are clear, but them say when the people them call the phone line, echo, so it look like the mixer process them audio, them signal. And I just want somebody call the number. Somebody call the number. Okay, here we go. All right. Well, on the Java. Java. Oh, wait, what happened? Hello? Hello?
Kingsley, Waan.
All right, hold on. Hold on. I want to say something.
Can you hear me?
No, man. Yeah, man, I hear. No, man, I hear. Me just I check something. I check something. I want to say I wish what. Me I hear you good, But you see the people them say them when people call the phone, them I hear echo.
Okay. All right.
So I check me. All right, me see what the signal change there. So all right, I'm gonna try to fix it at some point. I'm gonna see what I go. All right, what go on? Anybody call me Kingston? Yeah. Me differently, Who this?
I'm Fritz here, man.
Fritz. Oh, what go on, Fritz? All right. Everything good?
Yeah, man. Man. So I'm here. I'm just a fraud, and then I'm shipping by a thing and say, somebody call me, so I get about,
Yeah, man, I forgot to fix it because something I process the signal on that channel so that when I hear it, it'll echo,
Oh. Yeah, man, I feel the brothers be at the same time, man. I see it.
And the same to you. You get any youth yet?
No, I'm getting in already, man.
All right. So you plan for getting it? Me's not one of them who are going to force you and say you need to get it. Okay, I tell you. You want it?
That's another plan, man.
But you're not think for do it with Miss Lady there.
But don't tell her already, brother. She not straight up harmless. So it can't work.
All right. All right, then. I say a word, man. I hear you, my G. All right. Thanks for calling here. Thanks for calling. Cool.
Yeah, man. That's a word, man. Big up the whole TamFam, See it?
Long time. Hey, Fritz, your foundation, you left out the thing, You understand? Big
Yeah.
up yourself, All right?
All right, my G. More man as I expect, Blessed.
I go so.
Yeah, man.
People, me here on the say one time people them calling on the phone line it couple of them call me, I send a message, I make me know, so me have to find some time to test it. Probably call Jimmy and make okay. What? Oh, I did buy the port. I buy the power ball, Yeah, I buy power ball and wait name there. So I not trust to buy them something that I buy it on my phone, but I buy it on my phone and them not show you the number them where you buy. Can I buy a quick pick, So I go in there, and then I copy the number them myself, like my screenshot them, come on, see the number then. So he just tell me, say, oh, we do your quick picker, I never show me the number then. So technically, you know, whoever control the app then, you know, them can see if you look on your number, you know that, you know. Right? You see, when you surf, we still, who use the term, scroll. You see, when you scroll, the algorithm, it knows what you look at. And when you don't follow something, you know, I like it, you know. It knows where you stop. It knows how long you stop there. And then look at something there, right? And I saw it figure out what to feed you. But some of the indices, plural for index, right? Them program it for watch where you stop on, where you pass on. It's a true me know them something and me confuse it all the time. You know? Me would just all scroll and stop on some different something whatever. And it end up send me them something there, you know. So if you buy the Powerball now and the Mega Million, and it says you not open the thing and look on your number. My reasoning is somebody can say, well, this person buy them number, but the person don't know which number them buy. Because the program shows that them don't, they look on the number them. Yeah? So I make sure I bring up all I number them a while I go and screenshot it. Them not more than me. You understand? So I want them see my number them and I screenshot my number them. So I have my number them. So them can't come take with my hundreds of millions of dollars when me win my thing or whatever. Because I want to win hundreds of millions of dollars and then buy one nice car and drive past Ellie house. You don't know Ellie? We live in London, right? My friend, we're crosses. She's my friend, but she's crosses. And I want to just pull up in front of her house and just send her up somewhere, you know, tell her to go S something and whatever thing and jump back in my car and laugh off her. Ellie. Ellie, I that want to do Ellie. Ellie said, Raga, me there Jamaica, you're wrong. Now, me wait until you come back to London. Me wait until you come back to London, yeah? No, it's bit different, you know, and I win them hundreds of millions, you know. Me have a couple of people who would have said, oh, listen, don't tell nobody do it, you know. Don't make nobody know come in the wine and come look for me, you know. Right? Carolee, people, you see that? Carolee, I said, me remember when I win the lotto. This is Carolee, who said she now push her tongue in a man's ears. This is Carolee, who said she now kiss no man's neck. This is Carolee, when I tell her, I say, any woman me there, she have to rub my ball head. She said she now rub my ball head. Oh, sorry, that's me working. Right? Alrighty. And now, if you just give me a second. Boy, I hustle, you know. This come right down. Alright. Control C. Copy. Throw this over here, so. Okay. So this is Carolee, who says she now. People, how woman for there with man and now kiss them neck. You know neck nice. Neck kiss nice, you know. Ladies, look how much time when I play a stubborn and look how neck kiss reach, you know. I want to get weak to the thing, don't? Veronica got you. Right? Right? She would even push a little tongue in her ears and whatever. I don't know, she probably fear that ears wax or something like so. Spiritually blessed. I want revamp a come for that. I eat me there work on, you know. You know worry yourself. Gotta deal with it, man. Right? Right? The same Carolee right? Who don't even want to bite up look a neck or something or whatever. But she wants some of my lotto winnings. Why? Why, Carolee, talk to me and know why? And you say you know do this something with them. Eh? I want to go on this so. People never tell us something that I don't want to know. Carolee, you know, see, Dr. Maka asks you something. Carolee, see, Dr. Maka asks you something. The answer the woman. See, Dr. Maka asks you there, Carolee, are you boring? Right? Carolee, see, Dr. Maka asks you something there. Answer the woman, but who refuses money. Dr. Maka for answer. Yeah. Eh. I mean, I have strength for, but you don't want to answer Dr. Mac. Answer Dr. Mac, Carolee. Dr. Mac ask if you're boring. What? Dr. Mac, did you answer? People, now I look like announcement for me, but me don't want to no vex here. My work, you know. So I'm going to do this, I'm going to work. I'm have to work. I have to pay bills now. Next week, my work, watch it, Shanae says she vex already. I know she got vex. But next week, my work requires me to do some things I'm not going to able to do the show next week. All right? Don't start. All right. Ellie, that is not orange. That is red. This is red. This is orange. This is not even orange. Some people have some kind of rust, something like, you know, you're a woman, you have some weird name. Kalia girl, wagwan. No, man, so next week, I can't do the show. Burnt orange, that is it. What, Shanae's on point lately. That is it. Rust orange or burnt orange. You know, again, you women putting adjectives before colors, right? No. Yeah, and this is an important thing, so. Right, so Joan's going to take time off for watch World Cup. Yeah, can't watch the World Cup. So again, people, next week, no show next week, all right? No show next week. And it's work. No, seriously, it's work. It's work related, you know? So I have to take care of my work, you know, where, yeah, I'm not going into details, but you have to do, don't? Spiritually, basically, we hold it, man, see? But I'm telling you from now. No, Dr. Mac, you're not go mad, man. You're not go mad. Oh, you for mad? Hey, Dr. Mac, then you don't know, since we're a friend again, you can't mad because you can't see me when you want to see me. You don't know say your thing set different, Dr. Mac. Eh? You don't know your thing set different, you know. Since you're not about to go lock out no door or nothing and all them something there, whatever, and things like that, yeah? I change no lock on them something there, all right? You're good, man. Lanoy, nobody spring no surprise marriage, Pamela. People, you know what I say? Me have an ex scene who did a date a famous person in sports. And when after a while, the wives of the famous people in sports, pan teams and whatever, even pan separate teams, but after a while, the wives and the girlfriends, they know each other, right? So you have these men who play these sports, and them have them women and them wives. But after a while, the wives, because they meet up, when them the different places, they meet up and them know one another. So one of my ex now, she said, she loved them sports, them big time sports guy. She in them circling. So she end up a date one of them, you know? And neatly, you know, I'll show off for me about it, you know. Cause me and her never talk for years, you know. And she go, how you doing? And da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I'm so and so, whatever this and that. I'm by so and so and so because I'm dating. So yeah, we're dating now, you know, whatever. Never mind. I'm like, she's so transparent, man. I know exactly what she do. I just play along, you know. Because me always going like me a fool, you know. Because she just want me to know say a big star she there with that thing. Anyway, cut long story short, come back to it. Long after now, me I chat to her again or whatever. So I say, I want to go on with you and so. And she start going and I done the dog, you know. And me I say, me used to that, you know. Because she do it with several men, you know, right? Because she run hot and cold, you know. Like when she was somebody, brag. So you know, I say, me say, eh. And me a hypocrite, you know. Me a biggest hypocrite. I lie. I want him do. And whatever. And she said one time, you know, she did amongst the girls, them, the wives and the girlfriend, them, and she said she noticed that everybody kind of weird and thing, you know. And she said she not pick up a walk go on, but she said the woman them a go on away. So she said, so two of them pull her aside now and say, sis, you know, we kind of look bad, say we they are play hypocrite with you for, we just kind of give a heads up, you know. We don't want to get involved in a certain things, but you know, say someone's married, right? She like, our man never talk about it, you know. So I said, she said, married? What do you mean married? She said, married. He's got a wife. She's like, no, that's my boyfriend, right? I'm a boyfriend. We're gonna get engaged and whatever. And she's like, no, he got married. Like, married when? And like, the man saying, him get married about 2 months now. And she said, no, me don't know nothing about that. And the man said, exactly. But we all know. Are you alone no know? And she said, but when him could I get married? And then I said, but we were at the wedding. And she said, when that happened? And them tell her, and then hear her, no, she said, no, him couldn't get married that day. He was with me all week. He was, oh, shit. You know what I say? The big star, big international basketball player, one of the most famous, you know, who the panel all-star team, you know, can dunk good, you know, man. Can dunk good. Right? Him did play for all a team where did outside the country. They can't get an idea how nobody can kind of put on him. You know, I said the dog come check her one Sunday. Right? And say he must spend a week with her. And then it's like a Tuesday morning, the dog must have said to her. The dog must have said something to her like, oh, stop, I'll come meet and come up and thing or something and that, whatever. Boom, 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 boom. The dog fly out the Tuesday night. And the dog come back a Thursday. And stay with her till the Sunday, the rest of the night. So the Wednesday, the dog never did it. So him never they run her the Tuesday night and him never they run her the Wednesday night. You know, so I married the man, got married on the Wednesday. Me don't know how him thing said so, you know. But him got married somebody else on the Wednesday, you know. And come back to sheep on the Thursday, you know. Him left the Tuesday, married woman on the Wednesday, and come back to sheep on the Thursday and stay till the Sunday. And still I juggle with her. And she never knew until the other woman them come tell her. Yo, that's cold, man. All in me a bad mood and never wicked, so. Mash her up wicked, you know, man. But she braggy though, you know, so. Them thing there. Hello?
Hello.
Yes?
Hi, Raga Yaga.
What's up?
there. You know, I was working at this flower shop one time,
Yeah.
and the gardener come and ask me, "You have no yag they can give me?
No what?
Yag." Him couldn't pronounce the R, raga. So instead of say rag, him say yag.
Yag. Oh, okay.
So me said, no, what is yag? And him said, you don't know yag. How you don't know yag?
Yeah, what's wrong with you? Yeah.
So me said, me don't know. And then me see my boss start laugh. And then she go get one rag and give. So me say, oh, rag. Yeah, yes, yag.
Cause in a fiend mind, he must say the right thing, you know.
He must say the right thing, yeah. So me say, all right, boss, yag. And he say, yes, yag.
Yeah.
No, not yag, yag.
He said not yag. So when you are say
Yeah.
yag, he must say no, not yag. A yag.
Right,
Cause in a
cause
fiend
to
mind,
me
yeah.
say, to me start Jerry no and say, oh, yag. Him say,
Yeah.
no, yag.
See it there.
He want me to say the wrong.
Some people pronunciation beat them, man. Not to mention when Jamaicans go for twang and believe so them attack standard English properly, you know, man.
Yes.
The
So
funniest thing.
we're talking about children. So happy Father's Day belated.
Thank you.
And me like how you stand up in your children them life in the center. You know, me
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah,
Congrats.
but it's so much fun though. I can't see any other way.
Of course. I mean, like how your daughter bite your mango.
Oh,
Yeah.
hold on. Oh no, I find a phone date then one day. Is she?
Yes.
Oh, you know how she? Oh, well, I kind of indicated it yesterday.
Yes.
How she see him one. So today I go to her and I'm like, Jide. I say, KJ, come here. I say, I want you see this. I say, Jide. You see, as soon as I see her, you come up here. I see that, man. Because funny enough, you know, the boys, them not do that, you know. I see, man. I see how the foodie, man.
But in my days when we did live a country with my brother them,
Yeah.
my mother go market and buy one slice of cheese. Not slice, we call it peg. One peg of cheese.
Yeah. The little triangle. Yeah.
Him come now. When my brother him bite the cheese instead of him cut it, him bite it. So my mother said, who bite the cheese? Everybody had disowned it, including him.
Mm-hmm.
But at the time, my father did blind, but so you know, it's like when people blind, them smell come up, them hearing come up higher.
Yeah, everything sharper, everything else sharper, yeah.
Exactly. So my father decided to line we up and smell them out. And I him first, you know, the one who bite the cheese. Him first reach up in the line. And my father smell him out and say, go there, son. And smell everybody out and say, go there, and then he call him back.
Yeah.
And my father beat him, you know, because him bite the cheese, because him tell lie.
Because him tell a lie, yeah.
Him get a beating for it.
But I wonder if every picnic, can me no me eat food out of pot when my mother there cook, you know, you take one little piece and thing or whatever. You did do that?
Me never win. I was a very picky child, so we never really do that.
Oh, okay.
We never really do that. We never do that something there.
Right.
But I like my parents did have shop, so like the bun and the biscuit and them something there, my brother them would have take them out and we would have get some.
Oh,
you know?
Okay.
Yeah, but the food in the pot, we never really do that.
Seen.
But may I tell you some picnic joke now. So when me live at Gube,
away?
Gobe, man. Gobe. Same Gobe girl.
Oh, yes. Watch out, you know, say me never pick up here, man. Go on, go be, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes. When we live there, so you have the road up at top and you come down couple step and you come in our yard. And then you have a river down at the bottom of our yard.
Mm-hmm.
Like a hill for go down, like, come up.
Right.
Yes. So, me hear my son and the neighbor son with the goat them down there. You have one goat and two kids.
What you mean you hear them with the goat down there door?
Down at the bottom of where the river there.
Uh-huh.
But me believe when me look down there, me see the neighbor, I draw up the neighbor's son, I draw up the mother goat. So me say, oh, I move the goat.
Okay.
Little after the neighbor come call me, say, my son get me in trouble. Me say, what him do? You don't know what the people them do, Raga?
What them do?
Baptize the goat kid them.
What you mean?
The river went down there, the two little boy catch the goat kid them and baptize them. And the woman son, the one where him baptized dead. And my son, one where him baptized alive. So my son say, because he go to no Christian. Me just show you how some
Your
children.
son said the reason why one dead, the other one dead, are because the goat never live right.
Right, and a Christian, right. And of course, you know, say a little goat kid them, so them not supposed to wet up like that.
Right. Oh my God. I can't believe
But them are the little children still in at 7 years, them way there.
Yeah.
So them are the way big people do, baptize the goat.
And go Unalive a poor goat them, don't.
Mm-hmm. So this other one now in that church, the deacon a preach.
Yeah.
And the Lord say, let there be light,
Yeah.
And there was light, And the last time he go, him then touch up on.
Right.
And him pick it up and blow it off and put it in my mouth. And gone preach, you know, say, of course, all the people in the church are laugh.
Oh, you mean? You know, say, them something that happen quite often, that thing they were dangerous fly out of pastor mouth and people mouth or whatever.
Right. So here the little part now. My friend, little son, him I would like 4. The pastor come out and I talk to him and I pinch him jaw and I say, hey, what, how you doing? And so on. And him not pay the pastor no mind.
Right.
And the mother said, you don't hear Pastor so talking to you. Why aren't you answering? Little boy said, I don't want to answer him because I'm going to make him teeth. I'm going to say, I'm make him teeth bite me. Drop out and bite me.
Yeah. You know the pity
I'm going to make him teeth drop out and bite me. When him say,
Yeah.
So I don't want to talk to him. I don't want him talking to me.
You kids, they can be brutally honest, man. You know, for them.
Brutally honest.
Yeah, they can.
So hear this one now.
Yes.
So my children father in the bathroom. I bed one night.
Mm-hmm.
And him come out with him towel wrap around him and I jump and I say, one bat gone in my ears, So I said to him, say, bat cannot go in your ears. Well, you go tell me, one bat gone in my ears.
One bat?
I say, remember, one bat. So I tell him, say, bat can't go in my ears.
Right.
Him say, you go tell me a bat gone in my ears and him I jump on and knock and I jump on and knock. The towel drop off of him. My little daughter now see him ding dong.
Yeah.
And trim a jump it a flash 2 side. Hear my daughter. Daddy, what happened? Is a worm biting you?
think I'm a
It's a
big worm. Well, if you don't mind me ask, though, I mean, that was your husband, you know, your baby father. But why your daughter say worm?
maybe because it wrinkle and come in my beard, me not beard, you know. So
Oh,
maybe because it wrinkle and it a flash one side to the
oh,
other side.
oh, and it
So
probably, okay. It's an
she think
interesting,
I worm.
yeah, it's an interesting imagery she raised there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, worm.
And she a tell me no, she a beg me to get it off because it a bite him.
Yeah. Because she never says a snake a bite you, she says a worm. So, yeah,
She's
because
a
it's
worm,
not,
yeah.
yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So, me I tell you, children give you all the joke enough time.
Oh, they do. Indeed, they do. But you gotta
Innocent,
love them, though. You
innocent.
gotta love them.
Of course.
Yeah, you have to love them.
One time, my older children, them different from the younger ones.
Mm-hmm.
My older children that like them do something, I'ma give them the eye
Mm-hmm.
and them draw up. The younger one of them, me give her the eye, she'll laugh. And me say, what's so funny? You eye them, them look funny. The eye them look funny. One of them, me don't remember what she do, and me slap her and she'll cry and me say, shut up. She said, but it hot. It hot.
Yeah, oh, she for
She
shut
have
up
to
on it.
cry
Hot.
because
Yeah,
me
she have
lick
to
her.
cry. Right.
Yes.
It's a
The other
logic.
one, them wanna just suck it up and
Well, that is
that's it.
is a logical conclusion, you know. If you beat her and it
Mm-hmm.
hot, like, oh, you mean shut up, you know? Yeah,
Mm-hmm. And back in the days when we get liquor and hear shut up, shut up.
well, that's our time, you know. We have to keep our mouth and clutch, you know.
And clutch. Yeah.
And yeah, man, always a pleasure hearing you, because you know when you come in, you drive by, you know, you just say boom, 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 and I send them out, you know. All
I
right.
send them out.
Yeah, man, big up
I
yourself.
said, girl, I got a long time, you know.
You see it,
Ages me I listen to you, you know.
Yeah, man, you make one more, man.
Ages.
Give thanks, man.
Ages. Me I'll go a funeral and we don't know what people talk about. I'm a friend, sister funeral, and Marie's sister funeral.
Oh, right. Ed
Hey,
girl,
you remember me 69, whatever happened to she?
she passed, you know. She
Oh.
tried, years ago, she tried out, you know.
How about Mother Earth and
That
Mother Earth?
I don't remember. I don't know what happened with she, but I know Miss 69 passed on. And you know, Little Dose passed on a long time.
Yeah, man, you know that.
Right, Miss 69. Miss Thelma passed on too.
Oh.
Yeah, Miss Thelma passed
Yes, I think so. I think we'll hear that too.
Yeah, man, the elder stalwarts, them tried that. And unfortunately, you remember Fana, who work at Meadows?
Yes.
Man. So, COVID did get him, you know.
Oh. Me did know him too. Me did see him. See him too.
Okay. Yeah, so I have to give thanks, you know. I mean,
Yes.
you know where it a come from and them people and things. So
Yeah.
give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man. I'm glad me meet up back with you because me never in touch with you when you did it on the internet.
Right, right. All right, give thanks, man. It's a joy for you.
All right, God, take care. I'm me don't know, me probably forgot to listen back some of them things that we have on for the whole week next week.
Yeah. Well, I have a whole bunch of them. Remember, there are hundreds of shows, you know, over YouTube,
Yes.
you know, right? Just go to TamFam TV. There are
Yes.
hundreds over there.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
All right. Then you
All
take
right,
care.
Raga,
Yeah,
take
man.
care.
Blessings, man.
God bless and keep them. Guide and protect you.
Thank you so much, and the same to you. Blessings. Good.
All right, yeah. What a
Yeah, you know, my foundation. Seki back coming cool, man. Seki up on social media too, you know, and thing, you know. Seki cool, man. Everything is everything. You see me, I say? Oh, no. Sorry. Mistake. Pretty One Queen, that was a mistake. My bad. What's other one are we looking for? Because maybe you can rename Dos Santos. Okay. So again, people, I just ask on a patience and latitude. Say next week, my work is gonna prevent me from doing the show, for next week. Again, my work will prevent me from doing the show next week, right? So I just ask for an understanding and some latitude and so forth. See? And I'll return the following week. Okay? I'm gonna go right tonight. I'm gonna work, I'm gonna do some work. So actually I do it while I juggle with them. Actually I do it, It's long and arduous and it involves a lot of navigating a tremendous amount of details, but it's fun, like nerdy fun, like geek fun, So I'm enjoying it, but yeah, like me I do certain things I'm not satisfied with there. Me just say, all right, what we need, forget it to where we want. And then you just have to just dig in and put it where you want, because what has always proven for me is that if you're gonna do it good, Well, some days you can have a down days, It's not every day it's going to be good, but but if you want to realize certain results in with certain enterprise, then it behooves you, it's incumbent on you, to do it to the best of your ability and do it to a personal satisfaction, do it to have it rise, have standards where, I'm not one of them people that when me in school, like, oh, if I don't get an A, me want go whatever. Me telling about the girl, we get A minus and go what she do with her, go self and whatever. Like, that was the strangest thing to me. But at the same time, you want to do it good. You want to do it good enough. You want to maintain a standard where it's at a level that you can be like, yo, yeah, I feel good about this. So there was something I did, and I never really feel too right about it. I'm coming put it out and thing. But I'm going to figure out what to do it over. And it's just going beautifully, But as is usually the case, if you want it to do good, it's going to take time and patience and thing. So I'm doing that. But that's a separate thing. But in terms of work and thing, next week, I have some obligations that's going to prevent me from doing the show throughout the week. But I'll be back here tomorrow and Thursday. So I'll be back here tomorrow and Thursday, right? But me just a 4-1, break it from now. So that me know when I tell on a Thursday, and then it's like, wait, what? And then when they start batter me and beat me and things, see? So that is that. So big up on yourself and think I'll be back tomorrow, right? Yeah, and think blessings and respect. Cool? All right. Cool. Yeah, I'm going to do some work right now. Yep, I'm out of here.